I'll have to thank, Chukwokike for instituting me on this great throne of our forefathers, not considering my weakness, nor considering my lack of wisdom.
Your Highness, you are right. I will also love to join you in praises to God Almighty, who by his power made it possible for you to be on this throne. Without him, they would have taken it away from us. So, glory be to God.
My Lolo, thank you so much. But I will not stop to make sure that my sons knows about the importance of our tradition, even if I die today.
Your Highness, you shall live long and your reign prolonged.
See.
On a lighter mood, I brought my fiancée, Ifechi, for your royal blessings and admonition.
My daughter, you're welcome. Actually, a fortnight ago when my son announced to me that you have accepted to marry him, I was delighted. And so immediately I sent 2 chiefs to your father and to your kinsmen to meet the demands of the tradition, to pay the rights.
Thank you, Your Highness. I'm so grateful to the royal home for accepting me as a wife.
Wow, that is an excellent report. So on this note, you are going to be on probation. That means you're going to be living in this palace for 1 year, learning royalty, so that someday, which is very, very expedient, because for you to be a queen in this kingdom, you must know what it all entails. Because you never can tell. Someday, your husband to be will definitely be the king, and you'll be the queen.
You are highly welcome, my daughter, Ifechi. Because one day you will become the next queen of this great kingdom, Uturu. It's an enviable position, my dear. Other girls, many ladies aspire to be. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen. I promise to be a good wife.
Trust.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Live long, Your Highness. Thank you, my father. I want to use this opportunity to say that very soon I'll bring my own woman for traditional blessings.
Yes.
That would be a wonderful
This is my queen. Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. Sit down.
Ifechi, you're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
From this moment, I want you to see yourself as part of this royal house and behave as one.
Yes, my queen.
That's good. You know you are directly in charge of all the royal food and other crucial assignments in this palace.
Yes, my queen. I will do my best.
That's very nice. Ife,
Yes, my queen.
you know that the reason of placing you is for you to assume and understand the administrative rules and logistics that guides the entire household.
Yes, my queen.
You're welcome. Finally, Ifechi, before I take you to other maidens for proper introduction, I would like to remind you that your fiancé, Chidofo, and his blood brother, Amobi, they are one. And you should do everything, I mean, all your possible best, not to put asunder between them.
My queen, may God forbid I do such thing.
You promise?
I promise, my queen.
Thank you. You're welcome.
As a maiden smile, let the love flow.
You don't want them.
Amobi.
You don't buy.
Okay.
So, like play. You have decided to get married.
But that's what it is. I mean, is it too early or premature? You know, Amobi, we need to uphold the customs and tradition of our people.
Aha. Are you telling me that you are getting married just because you want to uphold the custom and tradition of our people? Or you want to get married for real?
Unpaid lawyer Amobi. Both.
This is why I like my own brother.
He will call a spade a spade. Ọ na-agba ọchọ ịza akpa ọza akpa ọchọ ịza kụrụ ọza akụrụ ọ dị aza akpa kụrụ mana eziokwu.
You say things the way they are.
That is
And it is no doubt that you make a good traditional ruler.
I believe so.
Yes.
And I am sure you'll make a great deputy.
There is nothing like deputy in our land.
Says who? What do you think the role of the Prime Minister, you know, is?
But at the same time, I cannot be your no, because I'm also a prince.
That is true. You have a point there.
Yeah.
But in any case, you and I are brothers. And the interest is the kingdom. So we'll put heads together to make sure that our kingdom thrives.
Yeah, one name will be Edin.
You got to go?
Eh? You don't want them. You don't want them.
Ogbu owere ije mara ogbu nwanne ya nọrọ mana eziokwu.
Hey! Onye nwanne ya nọrọ nso ka o gboro were ije.
Akwa ya ka o ji were ije. Ogbu nwanne ya nọ nso.
Ọkụkọ na-eme.
Ya.
Oh yeah! Ngwana.
Otu dike mụrụ odogwu.
Onwere iwe ọzọ.
Odogwu ọ na-ama dike.
It's a new beginning.
Achọrọ agbụghị arụ n'ọkụ ebu na ọ na-aga agọ.
Ozugbo. Ozugbo nọ. Hey!
Utu ọrụ na-abọ nkụtụkọ.
Eziokwu ka ọ.
Onye egbu n'ibi.
My cabinet chiefs, I welcome you once more. And may the gods of our ancestors bless you and this kingdom. And as the custom demands, my son Chidi is now qualified to become the heir apparent.
As the Onowu of this great kingdom, I can attest to Igwe's declaration.
Because I was part of the team that visited their in-laws to be Irueba. Madubaja. Oh no. I was there too. Yes. It's Roger.
And the trip was a great success.
You are right. I've forgotten you came too.
Chief Ndubisi, thank you so much. We all are happy with the development of this kingdom, which means this lady, the lady in question, can now be brought into this kingdom.
You are right. She or Sondo. No argument.
Exactly. Yes, and that is how it is done.
Yes, Chief Osondo, you are right. Igwe should do the needful immediately so that the probation period will be over.
Yes.
So that we can contract the marriage early enough.
Yes. All right. Oh, yes. All right. Igwe,
Yes,
you heard him right.
You are right. Our people say, when you show appreciation for what you have been given, it is an application for more. That's the reason why I want to tell you thank you again for all that the support I've gotten from you all these years. Yes. And I also want to tell you thank you for your support all these years.
Thank you.
I also want to show my gratitude for your acceptance of my son, Chidi, because From now, he will be accorded the traditional rights of the crown prince of this great kingdom.
Yes.
For his wife to be is already in the palace.
No. You don't need to beg for this. Ọkụ na mmadụ adịrọ azọ ntị oke. It is your right. We, the palace chiefs, have today welcomed and admit the prince into the royal chiefs of this kingdom as the successor in the view of this kingdom. I think I'm in the right.
You are in order.
Thank you so much. You made a very great point. Jidonfo is now free to attend any of our meetings, especially those ones that we settle serious cases.
You are correct. It's your son. DJ Kwenu. DJ Kwenu. DJ Kwenu.
The maidens are so beautiful.
Am I talking to people?
Yes, my queen.
Let the princess
Chidima,
be glad.
you are to assist Ifechi while supervising everything that is going on in this palace. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
Good.
My queen, I, Chidoma, the chief palace maiden, I pledge my total respect and cooperation.
And you all should bear in mind that Ifechi here should be treated with respect. A wife to the crown prince, Chidofo.
My queen, on behalf of the rest of us, we pledge to be loyal, humble, and respectful to her.
Nice. Your pledge to be loyal to Ifechi is accepted. Chidima, you do well to assist Ifechi in all her dealings in this palace. I will not give room for insult. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
Good. Ifechi,
Yes, my queen.
please treat everyone equal. No form of any partiality. Okay? They are your sisters. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, my queen. Thank you for welcoming me into the royal palace.
You don't have to. You're welcome.
My queen, we better leave now.
Okay. Ife, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, my queen.
Prince Amobi, what I was trying to say is this. Do not be offended if you can no longer spend quality time with your brother as it used to be. You know, things are bound to slightly change with the new status.
Your Highness, live long. By saying this, do you mean that my brother and I can no longer be as we used to be?
No, that is not what I said. I am trying to tell you that things are no longer going to be the way they used to be. You know, having meetings with the cabinet chiefs, having meeting with his father, the king. And most of the time, I know that he will want to be privately with Ifechi, his wife to be.
Father, you know, when you say this, it sounds funny. I mean, what on earth would make me stay away from my own brother, my only brother? Nothing will make such happen, God forbid. The kingdom and Ifechi should rather wait.
Your Highness, you are our father, but you may not even be aware of the bond, the tie between my brother and I. We are one indivisible element that can't be broken.
Well, both of you should not crucify me. Like you all know, and yet you do not really like it when we say this. What an elder can see sitting down, even when you climb the tree, you cannot see that. So I am saying this from experience as an old man.
I understand, Father, but truth is the world has changed. things have evolved. Now people multitask. We can be very close, bonded brothers and still handle the affairs of the kingdom.
Well, I pray that the gods of our ancestors will keep this bond unbroken.
He said. On that note, Father, that drink I told you I brought for you, the special cognac, can I get it now? The what drink I told you I brought, that special. How will you be there?
His wisdom leads, blessings flow like the river.
That's nice.
The land is green, oh, it's green, so beautiful. The land is green, so beautiful. If it's your kukulu, give me what will be, will be. If it's your kukulu, give me. No one can change what God has written. If it's your kukulu, give me what will be, will be. If it's your kukulu, give me. Oh, what will be, will be.
You like it? Good.
Thank you.
You're highly welcome, the queen of my heart. Ochezem, because that's what I'm going to call you henceforth. You know, you are the baby of my life and you make my head swoon.
Thank you. I love all your sayings. It sounds like a love poem.
Oh, well, since you like music, I'll sing more for you.
And I promise to be prudent, affectious, loving and respectful wife to you. I promise you will never regret marrying me. It's an assurance.
Blessed by my ancestors. Good to know. You know, your voice is so melodious. I just feel like taking you in my arms right now and take you to the world of fantasy.
Thank you, my king.
Anyways, I called you here to give you some advice. Now that you're in the palace and in this period of probation, I'd like you to respect my parents and my younger brother. Just do whatever they want you to do.
I'll try. Though Chidi, the chief maidens, already taught me on how to serve the royal household.
She did already? Oh, that's fine then. Please adhere to her advice. There will be trials and temptations, you know, but I trust you not to falter.
My parents trained me very well.
Oh, that's good to know.
I assure you, you will never regret marrying me.
My ancestors have blessed me. I said it. Cheers to that good news.
Thank you.
So sing for me now. You like music now? Sing for me. What is
My son.
Name.
Jidofo.
Mama Mo.
My first child.
Omwa.
My first son. Jidofo, the child of my youth, was still a beautiful woman. Mgbenna chama cham. That is Nagamuzo.
Onugbaje guys.
Onugbaje boys. Hey! Nagi we for ntutu weta.
Omafisi anu.
Omafisi. Life.
Even at that, you're still beautiful. Listen, Mama. The feathers of the eagle can never fall off, no matter the intensity of the rain.
Really?
Really.
Wait, Jidofo, you mean I am still beautiful?
Not only are you still very beautiful, you are so beautiful a man of my age can take you as a wife.
Eh?
Yes, now.
Glory be to Chukwu. Thank God.
You're welcome, Mama.
My son, I brought you out here to advise you to observe and keep traditional laws concerning betrothment.
Mother, I will observe it to the best of my ability.
It is not optional. You must keep them, obey them, including not to sleep with Ifechi during this period. Yes.
What then is the essence of her coming to stay with us in the palace, Kwano?
The essence of her coming to stay in the palace is for her to understand and be trained as a future queen.
But Mother, I thought the reason intending couples stay together is for them to understand themselves, know their values, their temperament, and even find out if they are sexually compatible.
That is for other word. But for royalty, no. It is another different ballgame.
This royalty-ish is so tight. Given the opportunity, I'll abolish it.
Jidofo, my son. Jidofo. I want you to hold your 2 ears. Okay? I should do it for you.
I can't behold my 2 ears.
Just do it. Or allow me to do it.
I will do it, don't worry.
Okay. Jidofo, my son. You can play with Ifechi in all manner you desire when you both are lonely. You must not make love to her before the eve of your wedding. Because on the eve of your wedding, her virginity blood is expected to stain your white bedsheet. If not, my son, there will be no marriage. Exactly.
Why is it so, Mama?
Because a king does not eat exposed food.
A king does not eat exposed food.
Enjoy your drink.
Does she mean by a king cannot eat exposed food? Why are we doing this? I'm Obi one name. I've come to realize that overseeing the affairs of this kingdom is a very difficult feat. And the worst part is being able to adhere strictly to the demands of our tradition.
Well, in as much as I agree with you on that, but to whom much is given, expectations are high. Why did you ask? Why did you say that?
Tradition forbids me from sleeping with Ifechi until after our traditional wedding.
Why? Says by who?
Says that same tradition. And to worsen the matter, Mother came and was saying certain things about me not being allowed to eat unprotected food or defiled food. I'm confused.
What is the confusion all about? Huh? You don't want them. Listen, you should in a Mexico it's a matter of fact. Brain, you see, we say the clock. Mother's statement simply means that as a king to be, a prince, you are not supposed to marry a woman that is not a virgin.
Wait, was that what she meant? Why did I think of that? Hey, no myself.
You should put one or two together. Yeah. Makana o to dike muro dogu.
Anezo.
Ona be bu aro na okwa ebule ebu na oro nko. Be mata.
Adorisi.
Worike boss o.
Aya ba do ni si o. Aya we share.
Mama. Chidi. Mama, is this you? Mama, this is me. Hey! This is Chidi. Flesh and blood, Mama.
Yeah, Chidi.
Mama, how are you?
Turn around, let me be very
Mama,
sure.
this is me.
Hey, Chibo.
This is
You're
me.
welcome, my son. You're welcome.
Mama, how are you?
I am fine.
Mama, you are looking younger.
What do you want? You want me to get older?
No, not at all. Not
I
at
trust
all.
you. I'm still very young. I'm pushing.
I want you to always look agile.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How is your mother?
My mother is fine, Mama.
Really?
My mother is fine. Eh? Mama, I went, I saw, and I conquer.
Thank God.
I conquer.
I can see it in you.
Thank you, Mama.
Wealth is smelling all around you, from head to toe. I can see it in you. I'm so happy for you, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama, on my way here, I bought this little gift for you.
Yeah. This one for me?
Mama, this one is small now. Mama, this one is small. This one is just for you to use and refresh yourself. Mama, I have packages for you.
Is you?
Don't trust me. I'm big now. I'm rich now, Mama.
This one for me. Hey! Chip. How is your mother doing?
My mother is fine. As I'm speaking to you, my mother is enjoying herself. If you see her now, she's looking younger every day by the day. If you see her, you won't even recognize her again, except she tell you that she's Mama Chidi.
She should enjoy. She should enjoy.
Of course.
It's her turn.
She's reaping the fruit of her
labor. I'm so happy to see you, really.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, look at you, Chidi. Look at you. Look at you. You're shining.
Mama, I've been looking around. I didn't see Ifechi. Is she still in the village or she has gone to the city to look for a better livelihood?
Ifechi has finished her education and she has gone to the city.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow. This is good news. This is good news, Mama. And that is fine. It makes it better for me now. You know what? You give me her contact so that when I get to the city, I will do my best to see her then. Discuss, bring her back to the village, see your people, and seek her hand in marriage. This one you are looking like this. Did I say anything wrong?
You think it's not too late?
How do you mean? Is she married?
Yes.
Ifechi is married.
She's married.
So she couldn't wait for me. Just 3 years I left to the city. She's gone to live with another man.
I don't understand. Did you ever propose to her before? Did you ever ask her to marry you? Chidi, you're not talking.
Ikechi. Chidi. Oh my goodness. Where are you going? You're going to the farm. Don't tell me this is you.
Baba.
Chidi, is this you? This is Chidi, your best friend.
Wonders can never end though. Jesus.
You see, if you see any other Chidi in this village again, that Chidi is a counterfeit. We only have one Chidi now, which is me.
Chidi, you're looking fuckingly good. I mean, you look sweet. Made and everything.
You can say that again. See, I came back to the village last week and I decided to come and check one of the land I asked my friend to buy for me.
So you now own lands?
I don't just own land, I own properties.
Right. Yes. My dear, as you can see, no leave, no transfer. We are still suffering, and at the same time smiling.
Ikechi, I understand. You have been my best friend. This is Chidi. I have gone to the city to make money, and I will carry you along. I will carry you along.
I can't. Well, that is by the way. Have you gone to see Fechi? I know you must have been there.
That ungrateful human being.
Ungrateful?
Yes, ungrateful human being. After everything I've done for her and her mother, all she could tell me is that she got her married to another man.
Well, I saw your anger. Just calm down and explain things to me, okay? Calm down.
Wait, hold on a minute. What do you want me to explain to you? Are you not in this town? Are you not in this village? Or are you trying to pretend to me that you don't know that Ifechi has been married to another man? Oh, I see. Birds of the same feather flocks together.
You still have to calm down. Explain things to me the way I understand.
Explain
okay?
what, Ekechi? Explain what? Anyways, since you are pretending that you don't know, let me explain to you.
Mama.
How is she?
She's there. You got the drugs?
Yes.
Okay.
I was able to get 2 doses.
Okay.
And the woman chemist said that she must eat before taking them.
Okay.
Mama, she warned against taking this drug on an empty stomach. So,
how much did it cost you so that I can refund to you?
Mama, refund quoi?
You bought with money now, I will refund to you.
Is Ife not my friend? Eh? Why are you talking like this? She's my friend. See, I will do anything for her to be okay. If you say you want to reform me, you look as if I'm a stranger to her. Maybe to you only thought of me as a stranger.
No, don't be angry. Oh, Biko, you know what will happen now, eh? Yes, I will rush inside now. Make food, so I bring food for her.
Yes.
You will sit down here and look after her for me.
Yes, very important. Yes. And another thing, Mama, if the sickness persists, I will personally take her to the hospital to take proper treatment.
That's a good idea. Hold the drugs. Let me run and prepare the food. Be careful, I'm coming.
Sorry. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. Don't worry, Chidi is here for you. I'll take this one, just this. That's it. That's it. So you can wait now. Let me feed you. I'm here for you.
Chidi,
Take.
why are you treating me as if I'm one lazy baby girl like that? It's not nice now. I can do it myself.
Are you not my baby girl? See, as long as you are my baby girl, and for the fact that you are sick and weak now, I'm here to take care of you until you recover fully.
Chidi,
Ife.
thank you for all your concern and care. I wonder why you are doing all this for me.
Ife, the truth is, my plans right now have a dry pocket. As soon as I make money, I will tell you all my plans. Okay.
God will give you money.
Yes,
Where's my mother?
Oh, your mother. She's rushed to the farm to finish up some work.
Can you imagine? My mother left me in your care.
Yes, because she knows that you're in a perfect hand. See, let me tell you something. Immediately your mother saw me, she knows that you are in a perfect hand. You know what she said? She said, "Oh, Chidi, please, I am happy that you are here. Please, take care of Ife. Let me go and finish the little portion I left behind because of Ife's sickness." And here I am to do anything for my Ife.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. And I take a little more. Okay?
I think I'm okay.
Just take a little.
Fine.
Wait, let me give it to you.
Don't worry, I can.
Are you sure?
I can do it myself, don't worry.
Ife.
Chidi, I'm not strong to start joking right now.
Okay. I don't want to stress you.
What is it?
I don't want to stress you. You see, there's one song I composed for you. Yes, the song is very, very sweet. If you like it.
Okay. I'm here, I'm listening.
I know I don't have a perfect voice, but all you just need to do is just listen to the rhythms. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ifechi, ahụrụ m gị n'anya, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ifechi, ahụrụ m gị n'anya, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ifechi, ahụrụ m gị n'anya, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ifechi, ahụrụ m gị n'anya, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Mụ na gị ga-ebi o, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ifechi, ahụrụ m gị n'anya, mụ na gị ga-ebi. You like it?
Can't you see how my eyes has been closed since you were
That means
singing?
you went into the spirit realm.
Like, I was enjoying your voice.
Thank you so much, Ife. For the fact that I don't have a perfect voice and you still like it, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your care.
You know what, Ife? When I have a plan for us, or I have a plan for you when I have money, as soon as I have this money, I will let all my intentions out for you.
You know, you kept saying when you have money, when you make money, when God gives you money, when money. What will happen? Like, are you going to buy the whole world for me?
Of course. If I have the opportunity to buy the whole world for you, who am I to say no? But you know what? Let's just leave this discussion for now. Time shall tell. Okay?
Okay, can I lie down now?
Or you want to rest? Okay. Are you okay with this? Okay. Should I get wrapper for you?
Okay.
Let me sit so you can put your head on my lap.
I'm fine. Mama!
Okay. Chidi.
Mama?
Adam. You should go carry water instead.
Mama, as I was coming back from the stream, I saw him on the road though. He left the errand he was going and now decided to bring my water back home for me.
Hi, Chidi.
Yes, Mama. First of all, Mama, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you too?
I'm fine.
You are looking bright this morning.
Thank you.
See, whatever she said is the truth. See, as it is now, if you want me to fill all your containers in the house with water, I don't mind doing it because of Ife.
Don't go there. Thank you so much. In fact, this is the last she's bringing now. She has filled every barrel in the house.
Would have loved to help you.
Yes, I understand. I know. Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay. So I will run along now.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
Mama, thank you.
Only me now.
Adam.
Mama.
What is the relationship between you and this boy? Where is this relationship heading to?
Mama, I don't know. As I'm talking to you right now, I don't know. Chid has never made his intentions known to me. If I ask, he will talk plenty talk. If I can remember the last thing he said, you are my special friend.
That's a special friend.
That was what he said.
Just like that. Adam. See, I am your mother. You don't need to keep anything away from me. Tell me the truth.
Mama, will I lie to you again? No, I don't lie. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay.
Okay.
Obviously, you're coming from your in-laws' place.
Akikondimpu. In-law. Who dash monkey banana? See, it hasn't gotten to that yet. Ife is just my friend and I care about her so much. And I care about her well-being. That is just it. Not that we have anything in common.
Chidi, on a more serious note, by now, I was thinking you are to invite our in-laws. I mean, to the marriage ceremony of you and Ife, based on the closeness both of you have drawn.
Ikechi, everything in life is one step at a time. See, just the way you are thinking for me, the same way I'm thinking for myself. That will come. I have plans for that. But I have to take it gradually. And I need to let Ife know about it. I need to let her know about my intentions before making any moves. And another thing is, Okuego. I need money. Man that doesn't have money doesn't go after women.
You know you're my friend, and I will not lie to you. By this time, you're supposed to have exposed your feelings. I mean, tell Ifechi your intention. You are delaying things. I have to tell you, you are my friend.
Ikechi, you are saying the facts. I'm not disputing that. But you see, they say in life, a serious buyer must have money. See, cash speaks volume. I need to make this money first. When I make this money, then everything will come to place. I will do everything at once. I don't need to start from this one to everything. I will just do everything at once. Don't forget the saying that says that an empty pocket does not deserve an erection. So let whatever feelings I have stay behind until I make money. Can you go? So when money comes, everything will fall in place.
It's all right. It is your will. Yeah? Let it be done.
This one you are going there. You are going to Mama Nkechi place.
No, don't go where you're going.
I know you like that Mama Nkechi.
We'll see later, huh?
Should I come with you? Eh?
Chidi.
Nkechi.
I just there.
Or is it because I don't have money now? No problem now.
We'll see later.
Eh? All right. Get drunk and come and meet me in my house.
Chidi, I've had you. Now, judge this by yourself. I mean, in your plain heart. Just judge it, okay?
How do you mean?
You and I know you did not propose to her for once.
Ikechi, I thought you are my friend. But yes. I can see that you are a supporter of evil.
No, damn it.
You are telling me, damn it, you are a supporter of evil. So you mean the implication for being nice in this community is to marry the love of my life to another man? Is that what you are trying to tell me?
Chidi, it's only God that reads man's heart, not woman, okay? You didn't propose to that girl. Just know it. She's married to Prince Jidofo, period. In case if you still want to marry, look for another woman. Okay?
Wait a minute. Did I hear you that? Did I hear you well?
Everybody knows it.
Ifechi is married to Jidofo.
A princess in the palace, as I'm talking to you.
Now listen to me, Ikechi. This is not when I was a puppet in this village. Now I have money.
Okay.
I have money and I will do everything in my power to get the love of my life back. Prince Jidofo will not stop me.
Don't start a fight you cannot finish. Don't just start a fight you cannot finish. Oh.
What? Ha! Ifechi! No. Step back. Come again. Oh my goodness. So, if you can now catwalk with high heel.
Yes, my queen.
Hey! Chidima, I owe you credit. Now you have fit into royalty.
Thank you so much, my queen.
Ifechi, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit. Hey! Ife. That is it. Oh my goodness. Ifechi, wait too. But this shoe is very high.
It's my queen.
Hi! Thank God for this wonderful transformation. Shit. You've really done well.
Thank you so much, my queen.
You are a fast learner. Very, very fast. Oh! Chidima, I owe you credits. Yes. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you very much, my queen.
Well, there is something I've been wanting to discuss with you. And I want you to be specific. I want you to tell me the truth. Please. You know, after all this effort, after all this that we are putting together to prepare you for my son, and at the end of everything, we find out that you have lost your virginity. Ifechi, it will not be good. It will be very, very bad. She knows what it means.
Yes, my queen, I know. My queen, if I am not a virgin, I wouldn't have accepted your son, Jidolf, as a husband.
Wait, I did not hear you well. Are you telling me that you are still a virgin?
Yes, my queen, I am. No man has ever seen my nakedness as a woman.
Hey! Ifechi, you're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
You're blessed.
Amen.
Ifechi, my reign in this palace, your own will be glorious. You will be more glorious than am I.
Amen.
You shall live.
Amen.
You're welcome.
And amen, my queen. My queen, you're making me feel like crying.
Ifechi.
Yes, my queen.
If you feel like cry, cry. It is tears of joy. You make me proud. You gladdens my heart.
Thank you, my
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I know that what I am about to do now will not go well with my brother, the prince of this kingdom, the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom, Prince Jidolf. At least, for not mentioning it earlier.
My brother, you know me very well, Andy. You know I don't take things to heart. Okay? So just go ahead and tell us the reason you gathered us.
Hey! You don't want them? Wamu wasa, you will remain my brother. You will remain my brother. That is why you are my brother and my best friend. I just want to say thank you for understanding. Thank you.
You're welcome, my brother. So go ahead and tell us why we're gathered.
Please, like I said, I don't know how you judge what I want to say, but however, find it in your heart to know that it was mark of respect. That was why I did not bring it to your knowledge earlier. I have been making out with Chidema here. Yes. With intentions of making her my wife in due time.
Amobi, how can you keep a thing as serious as this away from me, your brother, considering our closeness?
I said it. Blood is thicker than water.
Why would I not support my brother making out with the woman he loves? If I don't, that means I'm jealous of you, and that's not me.
Forgive me, my brother. Please, ladies here, join me and ask my brother to forgive me. I'm sorry for all that. Sorry.
Please forgive your brother.
It's okay.
My prince.
Chidima, get up. It's okay. Get up and sit down. It's okay. It's all right. So go ahead and tell us your plans. Okay, well,
the reason for this gathering is the ball is on your court. I am going to pass this ball to your court. Please, extend the right hand of fellowship to Chidimma. Because she is close to me. And eventually, one day she will be a co-wife. Please, that is the reason for this gathering.
But in any case, I will allow Ife here, my love, to give you a response.
Okay.
You see, in this life, nothing happens without a purpose.
Exactly.
Chidimma, you've been my friend ever since I stepped into this palace. Now I want to make you a promise that you will continue to be my friend, even more closer.
Thank you. And today I also want to make a promise that I will forever remain loyal to you. My prince, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm honored.
You're welcome.
Congratulations. So this calls for celebration. Chidimma, let's go and make something delicious.
Sure.
Please, egusi na akpu.
No problem.
We'll join you soon.
All right.
Hey.
Where?
I don't even know math. Get it, give us
Behind the walls where eyes can't see.
That reminds me, Amobi.
In the royal
I heard you've been making out with Chidimma.
things keep happening.
I hope you have not slept with her.
Making out with Chidimma, you mean making love to her?
Amobi, have you slept with her?
Well, my brother, you know I can tell you anything. I will not lie to you. In all sincerity, that was a day we were close to it. Yes, we almost had it, but one made in no, just, barged in without knocking, and that was why we stopped. Otherwise, by now it should have been history.
Thank your stars. In fact, the universe is in your favor. If you had made that mistake, it would have been disastrous. Have you forgotten what Mother told us about a king not allowed to eat unprotected food?
It is not for me. Your own rules. If you want to follow it, follow it. Because as it is, I cannot be watching Chidimma like a television. It is not possible.
Amobi, this is tradition. If I'd advise you, I'd ask you to exercise a little more patience. Me, I'm willing to wait too.
You are willing to wait. It is you, not me. Well, of course, you can wait. They made the law for the eldest. You are the eldest. So, metenke monagi. Let us go and have lunch. Abuma Chidimma, forget about it. How can I be watching Chidimma moving up and down in this palace without Seta?
Mommy, we're not saying about it. We're talking about tradition. I want if a lady with be like that.
You are the first block for both of us. You can wait. Let us go and have this thing. Tradition of tradition. Let us go and have lunch. Let's go.
If I leave Bunkia be messy, I think I'll put it back.
Ifoma, what is it? Don't say I told you. Ngozi, what is it? So, you have not smelled the social agreement going on in this palace.
Oh God, Ngozi, if you have anything to say, please say. Don't stress me. You know my kind of person. I don't like putting eyes in other people's frying pan. So tell me, what is it?
Ifoma, with this statement you dropped, indirectly you are calling me a gossip.
Oh God. That's not what I mean. Ngozi, you're taking it too far. I'm sorry if you feel offended, but that's not what I meant. Please, I'm sorry. Say what you want to say.
You are very stupid. Next time I will not come and tell you anything. This happened in this palace again.
Please talk to me. My ears are itching already. What is it?
If you do you know that the princes
and their fiancés are staying together discussing. Maybe they are trying to know more about themselves.
The princes and their fiancés.
Yes.
I don't understand because I know of Sister Ifechi's betrothment to Prince Chidi. Who then is Prince Amobi's bride?
I said it, Mbweke. So you are not aware of all the things that have been going on in this palace. Eh? Don't you know that secretly Prince Amobi is having an affair with Chidinma? You don't mean it.
Are you serious? Are you for real? Chidinma is going out with Prince Amobi. Of course. Wow.
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
sweet.
See. Don't say I told you. And let no one hear about it. If not, I will deny you. Me, Ngozi.
But it's not a bad thing now. Love is a beautiful thing. I'm happy for them.
See this one.
Oh, Chidinma, I'm happy for her. Wow.
I'm going.
Ngozi. This is getting out of hand. I can't take it anymore. I will have to complain to the queen. How can the only duty assigned to Chidinma is to follow Sister Ifechi around like a she-goat? No, I won't take it.
I wonder. Eh? Imagine this partiality work distribution in this palace. It's full of favorites. Eh? Imagine. Others will be working while others are sleeping.
You can
what
imagine.
Can one do?
Hey! Don't say that. If you don't know what to do, I do. I will walk straight to Sister Ifechi and complain to her about my observation. I can't take it. Who is a slave? I'm not anybody's slave.
Yeah, you know one thing about it. When you are angry, you don't reason well. Don't you know that the Chidinma is friend to Ifechi?
Doesn't matter. Do I care? Do I look like I care? It doesn't matter.
Hey, see, when you earn yourself a sack in this palace, don't involve me, Don't involve me at all.
Please. My mates are outside earning a living. So even if they sack me from this palace, I will still earn a living. I don't care. I am not Chidinma's mate, and that is it.
Oh,
I'm nobody's slave. We are all working in this palace.
So, Badro, I wish you good luck.
Ngozi, why is she scared?
Naomi, my stainless. The epitome of beauty. Yes. And you're still, a beauty to behold. I still see you that time the same way, and tell me the secret. Why have you not changed? Oh, no, I know the secret. I've been taking good care of you, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Your Highness, my lovely husband. So you mean, are you trying to say that I am still the Naomi of those days in college? The Oluwaje boys. The only girl that caused locomotion. Hey.
Now I will tell you, after so many decades, that I fought the spirits and human to gain your love. Yes.
Hey.
Oh, you didn't know. Oh, you didn't know. That's why most of the time when I look into your eyes, anytime you hurt me, I just forgive you. Because love is a beast. It makes you look like a stupid man. But I don't mind if I have to remain stupid all my life because of you.
Igwe. Igwe Ozemena. One in Uturu Kingdom.
Yes.
For this singular honor you have accorded me, I promise to respect and honor you all my life till I leave this world.
Yes. Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome.
You will be blessed all your life.
Say.
You remain the wonderful, the most blessed woman that gave me two wonderful men in my life that I love so much.
Thank you so much.
If you were in America now, yeah, that reminds me, because I want to see if the choice of my son must be like you. So where is Ifechi? Did she make it?
You mean, is she qualified?
Yes.
Hey! Hey! My king, Ifechi is overqualified. Honestly.
You can see that again.
Trust me.
Sure there?
Yes.
And the most important part of it, the way you wear. How is that place? That when we went hands on
tight. Huh? Very, very. Huh? Follow come. In fact, no tampering.
Chukukike, I think. Okay, you know what? I want you to go fetch her for me. I want to shower my congratulations on her.
Immediately.
If I owe her it. Now. Congratulations in advance to all of you.
Thank you, Father.
Your Highness, it is one thing to get invited by the embassy, American embassy, for their lottery. And it is the other to get the visa. Because it is not easy.
Amobi, my son, I want you to have faith. The God who made it for them to invite you to the interview must surely perfect it by making you win the visa.
Amen. Amobi, are you not going to say amen to mother's prayers?
My brother, everything is not prayers. We are going to go to Abuja to fulfill all righteousness. But the truth is, it is not going to be an easy task. Considering the number of people that applied for this lottery.
Amobi, I am a traditional ruler, but I believe in the Christian faith of miracle. Miracle can just happen.
I am assured in my heart that this miracle will happen.
Amen.
My brother, miracle. Let us face reality. Everything is not about miracle and the other words. You understand? This is if truly this is going to work, the government must have hijacked it for their loved ones, even though we are blue blood.
My son Amobi, I want you to have faith. Because if God could make desert produce water, what else he would not do?
So there's desert in the American embassy. God will come here and produce water.
I think that something good is going to come out from this visa thing. Because suddenly my wife has become an evangelist in the church.
In the heart of the kingdom, light shines so bright.
Your Majesty,
The royal home
thank you
is
so much for
filled
your
with
royal
joy.
reception. I really appreciate. Lolo, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your Highness, honestly, may your reign last forever.
He said, Chidi. You're welcome. Your late father, popular palm wine tapper. He was so noble that everyone in this kingdom loved him. When I mean love, first-hand love. He was such a wonderful man. And I just wished that your father was alive, to reap the fruit of his struggle on you. Well, that's life. You're welcome.
Yes, such is life.
Your Highness, the Anyanwu himself, a man of integrity. He never added water into his palm wine in order to increase the quantity.
Not Anyanwu. Anyanwu was noble to a fault. There's no way he could have done a thing like that. Oh no. May he so rest in perfect peace.
It's Your Majesty.
Yes, sir.
Without taking much time, I actually got back home last week and I consider it very, very important to come and pay you an homage and also seek for your royal blessings as a son of the soil.
That was thoughtful of you. Very thoughtful of you.
So I just want you to accept this little token from me, Your Highness.
Thank you so much.
It's
Chidebere, the true son of his father. Oh, it's not easy remembering your traditional ruler. Chidebere, may the gods of our land continue to bless you.
Kneel down. Let me give you my royal blessing.
Yes, Your Highness.
Did you see how arrogantly Ifechi walked out on me after all I did for her in the past?
Chidi, I told you not to visit that girl in her fiance's house, but you refused. Rather, you decided to go in disguise.
Wait, Ifechi. You are beginning to sound so unreasonable to me.
How?
Do you know what true love means? Do you know that true love hurts? See, Ifechi means everything to me. She means everything to me. So telling me all this now doesn't make any sense. To find solution. Find a way.
That girl has nothing against you, and she owe her anything, maybe evil or whatever. You know you didn't tell her anything.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to make me believe that Ifechi is so naive that she doesn't understand my body language towards her? I did everything for her. I run errand for her mother. I even spent my own money to make sure that she is okay. And this is how they decided to pay me back. She wasn't even feeling any remorse. She just walked out on me as if I meant nothing to her.
Stop being a confused man. Just stop being a confused man. Ifechi is out of the picture. Are you getting it?
Ikechi.
Yes.
You know what, Ikechi? You can find your way home.
Meaning?
Ife, you know a problem shared is half solved. Tell me, why are you in this mood?
Can you imagine that those two guys who came to the palace came here to upset me?
Upset you? How?
Okay, one of those boys is named Chidi. Chidi happened to be my friend way back in the village while I was single. He comes to the house to help me with house chores. We grew up together. Then, he now traveled to the city. Then I came here.
Okay. Has he ever for once told you why he's been nice to you?
He never did. Even one of those days I will ask him, "You're being too nice. Why? Why you doing all this? Is there anything you're not telling me?" He said, "No, you are just my special friend."
Okay. So what brought him to the palace? And why did you get angry after meeting with him?
That is the issue. That guy called me out to ask me why I should get married to the prince instead of him.
Did he ever for once propose to you?
He never did. He never asked me out. Talk more of proposing to me for one day.
Because I don't see anything wrong with an old friend visiting a special friend. Like, there's nothing there to worry about. It's okay.
Is that what you think?
Well, for me, I would advise you don't worry over him. Like, it's not worth it. It's like, no, now, the future queen of this kingdom.
It's fine. I just don't want trouble.
okay? What is the meaning of this?
No, Mama, calm down. Listen, I left the kids for Unwafo so that to come and get my final request. I won't come know whether you don't accept me.
Well, I said no to you, and I stand on my no. A piece of advice for you. You know, if I were you, I will forget about women and concentrate on my job. Why not focus on the purpose you're here in this palace?
Ma, why don't you like me? Can't you see the way I am in this palace? My eye is on you. Oh, is it because I'm ordinary guard?
I want to sound this as the last warning to you. If you continue disturbing me this way, I will have no choice than to report you to the king.
Nima, I know that I'm ordinary guard. But, you know, tomorrow might be better. I will make a very good husband to you.
Pardon me, please. You said you will make a good husband to me. Well, I think you have to start by cutting this thing you have on your head. Start by cutting your hair. And by the time I open my eyes, I do not want to see you here again. Else, I'll walk straight to the king and report you to him.
No, might have not gotten to like that. Please, just, it's okay, don't.
Fool. Should have waited. Nonsense.
Very good.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm just coming back from your compound. Were you not told?
No, I was not told, although I have not been around since morning. I'm just coming home now.
Okay. Very good. What happened? My daughter called me and told me that you and Chidi were giving her trouble in the palace. In a matrimonial home. How? Why did you do that?
Mama, no. Chidi asked me to accompany him to Igwe's house just for a visit, that's all.
So what has Chidi visit to the Igwe got to do with my daughter?
Hey. Just after serving us drink, Chidi ran into your daughter again. I'm just telling you the gospel truth. I'm just telling you the truth.
You are a liar and you know what you are saying is a lie from the pit of hell.
Yes.
You know that. You know it very well. You were the person who told Chidi that my daughter is now married to Jidofo. Yes. That is why you people went there. You are scratching your head, Akwea?
I'm sorry if that is so, but I'm just so sorry. I never knew it was a game plan. Seriously.
You don't know?
Yes.
Let this be the very first and the last time I will hear it. I'm warning you. I am warning you and that Chidi. Let this be the very first time I will hear it again.
Yes, ma'am.
That you went to that palace and disturbed my daughter.
Yes, ma'am. But you and I know how close these people are.
Esegene, what are you saying with your mouth? Don't worry, you will be the people that will serve drink on that day, on that traditional day, annual fair.
Nefet, come back here. Didn't you see me? Where have you been?
I apologize, I did not tell you before I left.
Tell me what took you out of my house this early morning?
I went to warn that stupid boy not to disturb my daughter in a matrimonial home anymore.
Disturb you fetching in her matrimonial home?
Yes.
I don't understand.
Okay. Is it not that Chidi, son of Anyang? That boy that used to come here and help Ifechi to do house chores. This idiot did not even tell my daughter that he loves her. He did not even propose. Do you know what? I even called my daughter and asked my daughter that this boy did not say anything. Now, Ifechi is now married to Prince Chidofo. This stupid boy is coming back to give her problems in a matrimonial home.
Wonderful story. Very humble and respect, vicious woman that you are. So all these things were happening under my nose. Never let me know. Now listen. One, whether you call him Ikechi, Chidi, and their cohorts, if anybody should disturb my daughter in Igwe's palace and take her out of there.
Nine.
Chase, I welcome you once again.
Thank you.
I summoned this meeting to abreast you with certain decisions we arrived at on security matters. The traditional rulers had a meeting with His Excellency, the Governor of the state.
Your Highness, may you live long. I was thinking that you would have allowed us discuss lingering matter facing this town before the matter with the governor on security matter would be raised.
Oh, you should have allowed Igwe to educate us more. You see, no kingdom jokes with its security. And as the owner of this great kingdom, you're supposed to know that this matter is very, very sensitive. Why are you defaulted?
Please listen and listen real good. Be not deceived by the frame nature of our mother's wife, because you may be consumed by the volcanic anger of the husband. I demand right now and right here you withdraw that statement, because I am seeing it as an insult to my person and personality. So I demand you withdraw that statement. Igwe, tell you to withdraw that statement right now.
Now, why would the chain DBC withdraw that statement? I'm asking you.
Say what?
Why would he withdraw that statement? Are you now wiser than Igwe, who invited us here to tell us about the issue of urgent attention?
Sure Sunday. Sure Sunday in n'aka ọjọọ.
Again, game me.
Sure Sunday in n'aka ọjọọ. Sure Sunday igwegwe nrupu ike.
Sure Sunday. Why are you always supporting evil?
What is evil there?
You are evil.
What is evil there?
Evil.
Listen to me.
These two old fools.
Why should Ishen Dibusi here be casting aspersion at Odowo? It is uncalled for.
It is not aspersion. He was stating matters of urgent attention, and you said you're trash. Is that how you reason?
Don't allow
with
them.
Your colleague? Is that how you reason?
Enough.
Igwe, sorry.
I did not summon this meeting for bickering and quarreling.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Rather, I summoned this meeting to intimate you about our meeting with the governor. After which, we can discuss other matters like we usually do in our meetings.
You forget. Your Highness, thank you very much. Let me educate you further. Why are we in a haste licking our fingers when we know that we are going to put our fingers into the calabash? Why the haste?
Ichie Osondo, please and please, I am just considering your age. If not, before our ancestors, Uganda, I am telling you, I want you and your accomplice beside me here, Ichie Osondo, to desist from further attacks on me in this palace. It's no more going down with me. But if you say no to that, I will simply leave it until the day Onyoriga Kwaniya Kandi Fefafuru Choya, and I'm one of the people Yafru Nchoala Kanulabo Ehurom Kero.
Calm down. Like I was saying before you got yourself into unnecessary arguments.
Sorry.
The governor has sent a warning to everyone in this kingdom that any house or domain that accommodates criminal activities, if there is any kidnapping, cultism, or cultism in any of the houses in your domain, that or those houses shall be pulled down by the state government. I'm telling you, as heads of your homes and heads of your immediate community, to take it seriously, because when it happens, no one must come to me for any reason to pacify the state government.
Igwe, please. I'm not in good frame of mind now. I heard all you said, but I am using this opportunity to plead with you to kindly warn Ichiendu BC to desist from further attack on my person and personality and status and pedigree. I have served this town, this state for so many years academically. Onye rapum can use all my contacts. Me treat fuck up ya with Ichi Osondo. Faga no ebefa agaga fueligwelo wanya for some years until I say release them. So I am begging you to warn them, any furtherance of this nonchalant attitude from them, any further of this sarcastic ideologies on my person. I'm not interested. If he is interested in this, you know who sit. Let him indicate. Oh no. I will never say this again.
No, we'll leave our meeting. Right now, get up and leave our meeting.
I am sorry, Your Highness. I'm sorry.
Leave our meeting right away.
Why is it that Ishiendubisi is always attacking me in the presence of Igwe? Why?
I have told you often that Ishiendubisi is jealous of your position in the palace, and his desire is to take over that seat from you.
Ishiendubisi, will such a thing be possible in this land?
Oh no. There is no impossibility in the affairs of this life. His idea is to always attack you and make you look stupid before the Igwe and the cabinet chiefs. Then the Igwe will now be forced to relieve you of your position and give to him.
I still ask, can such thing happen in this land? How possible is this?
Oh no. This is matter of tradition, not civil service. You know, Ishiendubisi is more knowledgeable than you in affairs of tradition and customs. So you just want to use that to rubbish you and take over your position.
Honestly, you've spoken wisdom in my numbskull, and I will never allow that to happen. I must take action to stop this from happening, and it will never happen as long as I live.
I just hope that you will happen.
Okay, you change the BC.
I just hope that you.
Your lips are so sweet.
And yours are so sweet too.
Thank you for letting me kiss you.
Are you not my husband again? My husband to be. Yes.
What?
Yes.
I'm surprised. You know, I thought it was a secret. Please don't let my mother know I've kissed you.
I would not. I would let her know about that. Okay, sweetheart. Now that you're planning to travel,
yeah.
When your visa comes out, are you going to take me along with you?
Yes. Though not immediately, because we have to go through the process of the papers. But as soon as I'm settled and we've done everything, I'll bring you over.
But what about our traditional marriage?
Yeah, I would have wanted us to have it before I travel. But you see, there is need for this probation period because it's traditional and it must happen. But I promise you, the white wedding will be blown away. To be mad.
I'm going to miss you.
You know I'll miss you more, didn't you?
Well, I tried my best. It is not my fault that I could not get the visa. I did my best, but I guess the mother luck was against me. However, my brother got the visa. And a win for one is a win for all. If my brother is there, I am also there.
You know, I'm happy he got the visa. But then again, I'm happy you failed the interview. Not like I'm really happy, but I'm happy. Just think about it. What would have happened to me?
You're happy I did not get the visa. Anyway, if I did not, two things would have happened to you. Number one is either you wait for my return or you go out there, get another man that you will love, cherish, and marry.
No! Hell no! There's no way I will get myself involved with another man. It is you or no one. I can't even imagine myself getting married to someone else. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
So it is actually your heart desire that I should not get the visa, right? It was what contributed to the failure, right?
Not the way you're thinking it though. You know I can't wish my husband to be bad luck. But let's just say it's the will of God that you failed the interview.
Okay. If it is the will of God, I am ready to be consumed in that will with you.
Okay, well, later.
I'll see you soon.
I love you.
Hey. To the man. Don't care about the tradition of Mata.
What will be. No one can change what God has written.
You know my traveling abroad is in our interest. So please make sure that the home front is well taken care of.
My brother, I am grown now and I know my responsibility. And trust me, I will do them accordingly.
Good, I trust you. And please also ensure that Igwe and Lolo are in top health anytime. Anytime they complain of everything, make sure to rush them to the hospital.
Say no more. You'll be amazed at the reports they will give to you.
Thank you, my brother.
You know.
And my fiancée also, Lotokwane gonna check you on her, please.
Oh, of course. Why wouldn't I have my eyes on?
Beautiful.
Oh, no. I will have you. I am Jide. Jide is Amo. Because now one day will be Eddie. But please do well to give her orientation, proper orientation, so that she will know that the respect that should be accorded to you should be accorded to me.
Of course, Amobi, I will. Trust me.
I will not fail to direct her on the part that is necessary.
I will. And she's even a very respectful girl herself. So you want to
America, when you get to America, know that I am here. Amobi is here to take due recharge. Hey.
Prince, although I am very excited that you're finally going to travel, I don't want to get emotional.
Please don't, Father, please.
Because I'll miss you greatly.
I'll miss you more, Daddy.
I know your mother is not going to take it easy.
Yes, but I implore you to please, on my behalf, make her strong.
I will. I'll try.
Thank you, Father.
Remember, as you are going to America, you are there to represent the good image and goodwill of this family.
Yes, Father.
And please do not transgress so you can bring glory to this royal household. Be careful, because I know that Americans are very, very serious about social vices. And you must be careful with their women. Oh, that reminds me of your wife. I want you to be of good behavior of good and be seen to have integrity, so that when you talk with your boss to allow you come home for the traditional marriage, they will give you the leave of, of that opportunity.
I sure will, Father. I intend to talk to my employees when I get there after a while to give me the opportunity to come back home and fulfill that obligation. I'll tell them it's very important that I do.
Yeah, that's exactly what I meant by being very dutiful and having integrity, so you can be respected, you understand? You can be trusted, so that's exactly what I want you to understand.
I promise you, Father, I will be a good person.
I don't know. I'll try. I don't want to get emotional about this.
Father, don't.
Oh, it's okay. Kneel down, let me give you my blessings.
I so need your blessings, Father.
I bless you this day. I pray to you that the gods of my ancestors will guide you.
He said,
"When you lay your hands upon, you shall."
Chidima, I don't see things the way you all see things in this palace. How do you mean the prince's travel to abroad is a good omen?
Of course it is. Don't you know that him traveling to abroad will bring development and increase in wealth to this palace?
I don't understand the way you reason. Yes, because how can an heir apparent to the throne of this community live for overseas, living behind the stool of power and authority, and you call it a good omen? How?
I think your reasoning is still old-fashioned. Yeah, like it is out of fashion. Nowadays, the kings, they can live in any city or country of their choice, controlling what is happening in their kingdom, as long as they know who is there to monitor things for them.
Really? Now I see. And I understand the reason our tradition and custom are no more effective. No, tell me, how can an Igwe be ruling a community from overseas, from the city? Is he not supposed to live among his people to know our problem? At least to know our problem. He should know our problem for us his people.
Ifoma, gone are those days when the king feeds on vegetables and cocoyam contributed by the villagers. Nowadays, the king, they want to drive the latest cars, the latest jeep. That is why they involve themselves in commercial activities.
Don't forget that the prince we're talking about, Prince Judolfo, is engaged, and the fiancé is on probation, which will soon be over. So what do you have to say about that?
Ifoma, can you stop thinking on his behalf? Let the dead bury themselves, and you shouldn't be more Catholic than the Pope himself.
I'm just being concerned.
Care for yourself, please. Care for yourself.
Why is she sounding so bitter? Did I say anything bad?
Nifechi. If Prince Jidolfo's travel overseas, I think it is wrongly timed. The timing is very wrong. Believe you me.
How do you mean?
If Jidolfo has been around to complete all marriage rites between him and our daughter Ifechi, it would have been better.
Bah. Now, I disagree with you on this one. Yes. Bia, look at it. Traveling abroad is an opportunity. Do you want him to miss that opportunity?
Woman, what I'm saying is that although Prince Jidolfo traveled overseas, it's a very welcome development. But if he has been around to complete everything between him and Ifechi, it could have been better. That is what I am saying.
What is in your heart is different from what is in my own. Because right now, as I'm sitting here, my heart is full of joy. Yes. Do you know why? Why? Because I'll be going for Mugo. And do you know in what country? America, fiam. Yes.
Okay. I pray that things work out the way you have planned it and projected in your heart, that you fly to America. Yes. You walk to America with leg on foot.
Fiam.
Okay.
It will never happen. It will not happen because you will sit down here and you will see me fly to the streets of Africa in the sky. And I'm gone. Hey!
Pipe dream. You, Joseph of our time. Madam Deborah or Deaconess Deborah. If things don't work out, believe you me. Nedo. You'll be reasoning truly, I know, not this thing.
Nine.
Please sit. Well, I called both of you here to put things in order the way they should be in this palace. I hope you are listening.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, I'm listening.
All right. This particular meeting is basically for Chidima. This is my other brother's fiancé who has traveled to United States of America. And before he left, he entrusted this woman into my care. You are aware?
I'm aware.
And if I do not take care of her, my brother will not be happy. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Taking care of her is a natural thing to do. Moreover, you're doing it not for yourself, but for your brother, Prince Chidi.
Good.
I agree with you.
You're
right.
All right. So, from now, I'll be giving her the same maximum attention I'm giving to you. All right? The same maximum attention. You know, if I do not do that, she will begin to feel the absence of my other brother, Chidi.
Yes, that is true. And I'm happy you're saying it now because I'm a very jealous lover. If you didn't say it now, like, I would have thought otherwise. Seeing both of you together, you know.
What are you saying? That's funny. Like, can you ever think that I should leave my fiancé for your own fiancé?
No, not the way you say it. But never can trust anyone. Anything can happen. You know, every one of us needs companionship. We need to be close to the ones we love. We need attention. We need to be taken care of and pampered. That is what I'm saying.
Well, nice. It's a good thing I voiced out. It's a good thing I addressed it because I do not want unnecessary suspicious movements and rancor between both of you.
Yes. And thank you for doing this.
It's okay.
My love for you just grew stronger.
Let me attend to the house chores.
It's okay. Both of you can get back to work. Right?
Should flow
Can you go and work?
like the river. And love in the royal home.
You'll recall that Mazi Ejike brought a case against his late brother's wife. I want us to deliberate on it now.
Igbozemena, may you live long, and may your reign know peace in this land. As the Onowu of this our great kingdom, I am of the opinion that Mazi Ejike here should reinstate his complaint, at least to refresh our memories. Ife nwoke bụ n'isi ọkali akali. So let us know ihe ya na njide ka nwunye nwanne nwoke nwụrụ anwụ na-eje. Ndị Chie, I hope I have spoken our minds.
Oh no, you just hit the nail on the head.
Thank you.
I support you.
Thank you very much.
For how long will we continue the entertaining competency and laxity in the palace?
Meaning what?
Good. AGK here on this subject matter has explained everything to us in detail. Every one of us here. How come that he will come and report himself again? Utufukwa nwa nketa, dikwa nwa ngwele ugwu. Etienne Ndubisi, I understand your disappointment over the attitude of some of us in this palace. It's to say the least, it's disheartening.
Please, let me tell two of you, no matter your age, two of you put together can never remove single hair from my body. I am telling you, and the horns of the cow, can never be too heavy for the head of the cow that must bear them. And let me tell you, the horns of the cow can never be too heavy for the cow to bear them. You are like the cow's horn on me. There is no amount of conspiracy from two of you that will make two of you to have your buttocks on this seat of Onowu over my dead body. Even if I die, but two of you will die before me because you are older than me. Two of you will die. Makana, you can never smell the seat.
Look, this boy. This seat he has occupied, he said, we cannot remove you there. He said, over your dead body. We carry your dead body, throw away there, and stay there. You will see it. It will happen. It will happen. Look at this.
And no.
Look at this boy.
Your Highness.
I am still the Igwe of this kingdom.
You are.
Ejike, you may refresh us.
Thank you, Igwe. Igwe, I greet you once again. My elders, I greet you. Igwe, I was here in your last council meeting, and I reported my late brother's wife here in Njideka, who has refused me of claiming her as my inheritance after my late brother's death. Thank you.
My friend, simply hit the nail on the head. Abazinoku ukirikiri. Puife chok kamaya meloye. Inuneba. Ikrobago. Hit the nail on the head. Kaimana kesi hapo nyupo bowal. You're not too much. You are laughing at me.
Njideka, you heard what your late husband brother said. I want you to tell us your own side of the story.
Igwe, I greet you. May you live long, Igwe. Ndiche, I greet you all.
No.
I've heard what Ejike reported against me. But with all due respect, Igwe, I want to state it here that Ejike cannot inherit me.
Why? Makaginizi?
Oh no. My husband never mentioned to me that Ejike will inherit me. Even on his dying bed, he never mentioned it to me. So Ejike, I am telling you now that you can never inherit me. Ejike, iya na agogi, okwe ya imantanatea.
Your Highness, with all due respect, I am displeased with your stance on this case between Njideka and Mazi Ejike, the brother-in-law.
Why are you displeased?
To me, putting it on Njideka that she must marry Ejike is an injustice. Yes, no one should force anybody to love. She should allow her freedom on the choices of who to love.
Kusamobi, I am a traditional ruler, the custodian of our tradition, of which I am expected to uphold the norms and values of our people.
Your Highness, upholding the norms and values of our people does not include imposing love on Njideka, a poor widow, to make a choice she does not want.
Well, this is the custom and tradition of our people, instituted by our forefathers.
But our forefathers are dead and gone. Affect a change that will accommodate us now, us here and the generation yet unborn. Igwe Zemena,
use your wide experience and education and change some of these obnoxious traditional laws that infringe on human rights. Njideka should be allowed to express herself, not forcing love on her.
It's all right. I will brood over it and see any of the laws that can be amended if possible.
Your Highness, it is possible. I believe that if you throw your weight behind some of these obnoxious laws, you have your name cast on the stone. Trust me.
How about you?
You know, Your Highness. You know, I was actually planning to go out before I said, let me relate it to you. Thank you, my father, for listening to me.
You know what? I'm so excited that as I speak, if I die, I'll die happy, man.
Your Highness, I have always told you to stop mentioning death whenever you're discussing with your family. Death has no place in this palace until we all grow old and join our ancestors in peace.
You see, if you were in my position, you would be as excited as I am. Because I am so, I don't know how to say, the wisdom in my son is it driving me crazy or making me so overjoyed?
My king, so what has Amobi done this time to deserve all this praise?
Okay. Do you remember, the lingering battle of inheritance between Njideka and Ejike?
Yes. How far has the matter gone? Because I saw them during the cabinet meeting in this palace.
Fine. You see, we arrived, at a decision that upheld that Ejike was on the right path and that Njideka had no portion in trying to insist on her own. So after they left, my son now said no. We should not have upheld that point. That it negates her human rights.
Why?
She had the right to say no and it remains no. We cannot force, Ejike cannot force himself on Njideka.
Why?
Because the laws seems obnoxious and outdated. That was what my son suggested. And when I look well, then I discovered that yes, he is right. Because the laws have become outdated and obnoxious.
So now what did he suggest you do at this very point?
We should amend the values and custom of today. That we should look out for that which, the next generation will embrace. And that is human rights.
You see that the suggestion of the young man make a lot sense.
So you can see why I was so excited. But my son has a wisdom greater than even his father's.
Let's thank the gods for giving us good ambassadors as sons.
And all praises to you too for giving me a son that I am proud of.
Thank you, my king. Thank you. Thank you, oh my God.
Your Highness, thank you for the caller. You sent for me.
Yes, welcome, Mazi Okeke. Our people say respect is reciprocal. Yes. So that's why I took it as a necessity to let you know that your son-in-law has departed to the United States of America.
Huh?
Yes.
Your Highness,
This is a wonderful and surprising story. Just like that. The question is, did he go there to stay or just to visit?
Well, we thank Chukwokike that he won an American visa lottery. Yes. And by that, he is granted the opportunity to work, stay, and even to come with his family.
Dollars.
So after the marriage, he will be traveling to America with his wife.
Your Highness, I am happy about the development.
Yeah.
I'm grateful to God. Chukwokike.
Yes. So we'll continue to be thankful to Chukwokike for his favor and for his mercies.
Your Highness, I just want to ask. I hope his going to America would in no way affect his planned traditional wedding with my daughter. I just want to ask my Highness.
Well, I will first of all let you know that the reason I called you was to make sure that you didn't hear the news outside. Yes.
So
as for your question, we have had that arranged already. And that he is coming back to do his traditional marriage and then go back with his wife.
He's coming back?
Yes.
Oh, baby. Your Highness, I'm happy. Your Highness, I can't delay me.
You're funny.
Chidi, you know I sneaked out of the palace based on my brother Ikeshi's hair tricks.
Yes,
I didn't know you were here waiting for me.
If I want them, please, I plead. Give Chidi here a listening ear. And again, I'm sorry for bringing you out in disguise, okay?
Brother Chidi, I don't like this. I've told Mama to warn you. One day you will send me out to my family enemies. No. What is wrong with you?
Ife, it will not get to that. Please, I am so sorry. I'm sorry that Ikechi here tricks you to come out. I'm very sorry. But, Ife, there's just one thing I want to ask you. Let us get married to each other now that Prince Jidofo is out of our way. This is an opportunity for us. This is the best time for us.
What are you saying? Can you listen to yourself?
I love you.
You want me to leave a man who came to my father's house, paid all the necessary traditional rites, and I'm in his house on probation for another man? Is that what you're saying?
Forget that one, Ife. You know you're my sister. You know Prince Jidofo has not fully got married to you. You can quit the agreement if you so desire. Listen to Chidi, please.
Odikechi, I cannot quit the agreement.
Ife.
I am getting married to Prince Jidofo, okay? Even if he likes, let him travel to the end of the world. I will wait for him. He will come and finally take me, but I cannot leave him for another man.
Please. Please, Ife. Ife, I love you. I love you from the deepest part of my heart. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Please, I beg you. See, you know what? I will take you. Let's just disappear from the face of the earth. Let's go far away, get married, and live happy ever after. See, I will do anything just to have you. Please.
Do you know what you are?
As it is now, I'm even confused.
Yes, you're a confused fellow. Yes. You are a late comer. A man who does not know what he wants. That is what you are. Did you ask me out? Did you propose to me? Did you make any move at all? Now you surface from the thin air and you expect me to open my arms and leave my husband for you. Please, it is not done. I want to beg you one thing. Please, look for another woman, an available one. Love and cherish. Not me. But Ikechi, please, I am warning both of you. Don't ever come to the palace again to disturb me. Don't do it again, I don't like it.
Ife, please. Remember the fact the both of you are gone. She walked away.
Where did my brother's wife go?
Where? She left immediately with brother Ikechi coming.
And why did you not ask her where she was going?
My prince, you know I cannot even question the...
If you say that again, I'll wear you 500.
Get that gate. Stupid.
Ifechi, where are you coming from? Where did you go that you could not even inform your ally, Chidima?
Sorry about that. My mother sent for me. It was an emergency.
I hope it was not something bad.
Not really. Thank you for your concern.
Listen, Ifechi. Before my brother, the Prince Jidofo, left for the States, he committed you onto my hands. He asked me to take care of you. You should get this into your head. It is a warning. I am monitoring your movements, and I do not want you to make remorse at any level.
And I hope I'm not in some kind of prison or hostage here.
The word is enough for the wise. Did you hear me?
Excuse me.
If this happens again, I will behead you in this palace. Because I do not understand the movement you're making in this palace. I say it again. You were committed onto my care. And listen, so you have to obey.
I stand before the throne in shame.
You better warn Ifechi to stop seeing that boy they call Chidi. Before I will take words to my brother overseas and this marriage will be a thing of the past.
No, it hasn't gotten to that. Nothing of such will repeat itself. Please just pardon her.
Prince it's true you said that my brother Ikechi used to disguise himself into the palace to call me out for Chidi. That could be true. And I have reported that to my parents already, and they have taken actions about it.
Okay, now I want to ask, what does Chidi mean to you?
Chidi means nothing to me. He is just a friend in the village who used to come to the house, help my mother with some house chores, and that's all. Until he left to the city for greener pastures. Nothing else.
Oh, he left to the city for greener pastures, suddenly reappears and realized that he has been missing you, and that is why he's gallivanting. And then decided to do decided to do a lunch back or where?
How can he do a lunch back with me? Do I have anything to do with him? We have no relationship. Nothing of such.
My prince, she already told me about him, and they had nothing going on with them in the past. Let's just resolve this once and for all, please.
Well, whether they had something in the past or not, all I have said is, I will speak to my brother, and this marriage will be called off. Do not forget that my brother put her in my care, and I will say whatever I see. I will say. That's why you know with Chidi.
Please, I want you to stop anything. I wouldn't want you to jeopardize this golden opportunity you have of becoming the future queen of this kingdom because of Chidi and Ikechi.
I have nothing to do with this boy.
Just stop anything already, please.
I stand before the throne in shame.
My friends, I'm sorry for going out today to see Chidi. I didn't know that was why my brother came to fetch me. Because the last time they came, I told my mother to warn him never to come close to me again. Sorry.
Listen, you are in this palace as a peculiar lady, separated from commoners. that you should know.
I know. I'm trying to maintain this status.
Good. In this palace, any information we want to lay our hands on, we do. So you have to be mindful of yourself. Because whatever you do, eyes are watching. You have to be mindful of yourself, why you stay here and why you aspire to be of here.
I promise it will never happen again.
Better. When last did you speak to my brother?
Yesterday, though he was at work, so we didn't talk that much.
Okay. It's alright. Let me allow you to have some rest. Good night.
Good night.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
My daughter Ifechi, your conduct ever since you moved into this palace is remarkable. And it has convinced me that you are a wife material.
Thank you for the remark, my queen.
Excellent. I am to inform you that the prince, your husband, Prince Jidofo, will return to this country to perform the traditional wedding and get your document prepared to travel with you.
Thank you so much, my queen. I will never forget your advice and assistance in a hurry.
You're welcome, my dear. Ifechi, my daughter, if you can understand the full role I am playing in your life, you won't be thanking me because I'm also doing it for myself.
Nevertheless, my queen, I owe you a big thanks because not every biological mother would do what you have done for me to their own daughters. Talk more of an aspiring mother-in-law. I truly appreciate you, ma.
You're welcome, my dear. This is a good manifestation of your good qualities. You deserve it. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, my queen.
Hey, I am now convinced that you can step into my shoes as the next queen of this kingdom, and you can do it perfectly well.
Thank you so much, my queen, for all your love.
You're welcome.
There's an urgent matter right now.
What is it?
No, Njideka, my late brother's wife.
What happened?
Njideka, she has refused to obey the Igwe's order. She has been adamant about it.
Adamant as how? Have you approached her and she refused?
Hey, no. Last night, I came into the room, into my brother's room, where she used to sleep. Yes. After taking my bath and being in good form, as I opened the door to touch her, she rose like a lion and she pushed me out and jammed the door against me. Wait.
Ejike, no, just go and sleep. The matter is as being settled as I discussing it now. Because from here now, I am going straight to Igwe's palace. Because where I was going to, cancelled. Let me go there. Come on, I'm here with na palace.
Oh no, if you can do this thing for me, I swear I will come and appreciate you very, very well. Niguri can want it. Niguri. Oh, see no more. And another thing, if you're talking to the Igwe,
Let him know that this girl is very, very stubborn. She needs to be handled with a strong hand.
Did I hear you say stubborn?
Oh no, very, very stubborn. She needs to be handled with strong hands. Igwe has dealt with more stubborn women than Njideka. Njideka will fail kupu. Igwe geti and boy akotaba. Ibian, go. Ibian. I'm going to Palace straight now.
Thank you, no.
If Igwe is dealing with her, they should deal with her with strong hands. She's very
Go
stubborn.
and sleep. Go.
Huh? Okay. Go. Your Highness, for that Njideka to disobey your judgment, isn't that a leg down to your throne? Does that not require severe punishment? Igwe, I ask.
No, sit down. Let me react to this. Did Ejike tell you how much he has given Njideka and her children after this judgment? Or did he tell you his priority is to sleep with women?
Your Highness, honestly, I did not ask him that. I only concentrated on that woman's disobedience to your judgment.
No.
Your Highness.
Isn't it the law against humanity when a widow is forced to marry the brother of her late husband?
Your Highness, that has been our tradition from time immemorial. We met it that way. It is a tradition laid down by our forefathers, and we can never thwart it, not now that I'm alive. So it remains.
All these were laid down by our forefathers. Which one are we going to lay down for our next generation?
Your Highness, to be honest with you, you've spoken wisely. What shall we be remembered for?
The oxygen that you get from this trees. Something you can get inside. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Never mind. You can go. I will handle that. Okay. Yeah, my parents, and I have to do it myself. If I don't serve you, who will I serve?
Who else will do that?
Yes, that's an honor, and you are also going to have the same honor from your children. Yes. Yes.
Easy.
Aha. My father.
Good night. It's been your father's favorite drink. Always.
Yes. Let's toast to the Lord. Long life. You know, let's toast to wisdom I have seen with my son. Allow me to start from here.
Yeah.
Reign forever.
Yes.
Reign forever, son.
Yeah. Long life. Your Highness, I have been waiting for an opportunity like this. There is something that has been bothering me. And today, I found a ground to say it. Please, may I have the floor to say it?
Go ahead, son.
Son, you know I have always encouraged you to express yourself to us whenever there's need for that. We are your parents. Go ahead.
Prince Amobi, why should you be afraid of telling your parents what you want? Your heart desire your confession? Are we harsh or are we not understanding? Go ahead, feel free.
Well, thank you, my parents. I am so proud of you. I'm proud to call you my parents. Of late, I found out that I am in love with our former head of maidens, Chidi. And I have decided to take her as a wife and settle down with her.
I forbid you from saying that, Amobi. Chidima. Hey! So you've looked around this whole community and you did not see any other girl, if not Chidima, a low-life maiden.
Stop it. Stop it. That's derogatory. Why would you call someone a low-life? Son, I'll give you 2 days to think about what you just told us. If you still want to continue, or you do not want to, let us know anyway.
He will not continue because he's not going to marry Chidima, not in this palace.
Stop it.
Thank you for your understanding. I will not disappoint your expectations from me. And I will do as you have just said. Thank you.
Your Highness, you indirectly spat on my face before your son because of the remarks I made on an ordinary maid.
You're getting me more angry. Lolo, you are getting me more angry by maintaining your aspersion on the maid. Who are you to call someone an ordinary? God created all of us same, and you have no right to bring someone down.
Does it change the fact that Chidima is not an ordinary maid? Answer me.
You're still calling her ordinary. Now let me tell you, he whose palm kernel was cracked by a benevolent spirit should remain humble. Yes, should remain humble, because a headmaster was once a scholar.
I don't understand. Please, just break these idioms. Definitely, I did not understand any of them.
When you understand how to treat people the way they are, when you understand and respect people in their kind of life that they are in, then you will understand that life must be respected. Now, for your information, let me ask you this question. Who and what were you before I married you?
Oh, so you have been waiting for an opportunity to remind me where you picked me. To remind me my background, that you picked me from gutters, right? So go ahead.
Lolo, stop shouting.
No, go ahead.
Stop shouting before...
Tell them.
Can you see how painful it is when you call someone low life? Hey, can you?
Is Chidima not a low life? In fact, what am I even doing here? What am I even sitting down here listening to you, raining all these abuses on me? Excuse me. Chidima, if you know what is good for you, start talking now. How long have you been in a relationship with my son, Prince Amobi?
Long before Ifechi moved into the palace.
Huh? Oh, so you have been dating my son before his elder brother brought his wife home. And you kept it secret, Chidima.
My queen, it is not in my hands to announce it. He asked me to keep it secret until Prince Chidi announces his engagement.
That is your plan. Chidima! Hey! Chidima, you are daring me. Chidima, what is your academic qualification?
I was in 200 level when my father died. I had to drop out because there was no money to continue.
Chidima! Just look at you. Wolves in sheep clothing. You think if you tie my son and he will be able to support you in your educational career?
No, Queen. I have never harbored such a thought. He asked me to be his woman and I accepted.
You accepted? Why? Why didn't you say no? And you people have been dating under my nose and you kept it secret.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Chidima, from today onwards, I am going to put all the medics and the guards in charge of you. Any reports about you again near my son, I swear I will rip off your 2 eyes. I will throw you out of this palace to go back to the gutter where you belonged. Nonsense! A common maiden. Do you know who you are in this palace? Huh? Do you know who you are?
Yes.
Why would you maintain your level? Chidima, from today, any day that my son asks you out, say no. If you dare try it, Chidima, that person will be better than you. Get out now. Get out! Idiot! Just look at you. Commoner. And no life. Huh. Look at this girl. You will mad.
Our secrets desire. Can this be lost? Oh, if
what is it? Why are you crying? Tell me, what is it?
Ife, what is it? My plans of getting married to Prince Amobi have been ruined. The queen discovered about our relationship and threatened to throw me out of this palace.
Is Prince Amobi aware of this development?
I don't know. The worst part of it is that the queen threatened and she ordered me to stay away from the prince.
Would you want me to relate to Prince Amobi about this?
Of course. I'll be very happy. If you do this for me, I'll forever remain grateful to you. Just think about it. The maidens, the community, they are going to laugh at me.
It's okay.
And you know how much I love him, right?
I know you love him so much. Don't worry. See this time, it will be over very soon, okay? Come on, stop crying.
Should I trust you?
Trust me. Trust me, okay?
It's okay.
It's okay. I'll go talk to him immediately. Give me a minute.
I'll wait for positive feedback.
Whispers in the palace, secrets in the night, hearts that should be silent.
Because I hate gold diggers. Chidimma is one.
Don't finish it. Shut up. Shut up. It's obvious you don't know the genesis of this matter. Stop talking senselessly. Are you out of your mind? What are you saying?
Yeah, don't start to, or you get it hot with me. Am I not entitled to my opinion? Why challenging me ruthlessly?
I will keep challenging you until you learn how to address issues on a very neutral and not biased manner.
Hey, Ifoma, why are you supporting evil? Why are you supporting evil now? Let Chidimma go for a commoner like her and fall in love with. She has no place in this palace. Even in the life of Prince Amobi, there are unlike terms.
Love knows no level.
You don't understand. Do you know what is love? Do you know what is love, Ngozi? Do you know what love means? Love knows no level. Love conquers all. It's obvious you don't know what is. What am I even saying? Ifoma. Ngozi, do you know what love is? Have you ever fallen in love? You have never fallen in love. So you have nothing to say about love. Just keep quiet and seal your mouth about this matter.
Ifoma, you say I don't know what love is all about.
Am I lying? You've been in this palace all these years. So where did you fall in love?
Hey.
Who is the man?
Well, there's no problem.
Ngozi, are you angry? But that's the truth now.
Right.
Ifechi, why do you think you're the right person to tell me this? Why not Chidima by herself?
Why was she there? When your mother has threatened to throw her out of the palace if she ever comes close to you.
What did you say? My mother threatened Chidima not to come close to me. Why? Why would my mother do that?
Prince Amobi, I think you need your father's support. In disabusing your mother's mind towards thinking of the class difference between you and Chidima.
Listen, nobody can tell me what to do in this palace. Nobody can stop me from the choice I have made. What are you saying? Not even the Igwe, my father. Listen, I respect people, but I do not fear anybody.
Prince Amobi, no matter how you think you have grown, you need your parents. You are still their child. Remember, you cannot get married all alone. You need their support.
Ifechi, why are you so wise? You are full of wisdom and understanding. Invariably, my brother made a wise choice by choosing you as a wife to be. Oh, okay. Thank you for the advice. I appreciate it.
I want you to understand something, my friends. One hand cannot make a sound of clap. Please, be guided.
Okay.
Excuse me.
But why would my mother say that? That is the question. Why would she say that?
As a wise, considerate, and a loving husband and father, my love, I appeal for forgiveness over my remarks to you the other day. Please forgive me. I regret it.
Igwe, please. If you don't want me in this dining, I will leave now.
Wow. My organ there. No, I'll go easy plank. No, does it want it? Accept the apologies of the king, our father. It is not easy to see a man of his status that can apologize to a woman. So humble. Please listen to him and let bygone be bygone. Oh my.
Amobi, if you don't know what to say, you better keep quiet. After all, you are the cause of all this. If you had mingled with a lady of your class and status, all these things wouldn't have been happening. I wouldn't have been in this mess.
No, my love.
So keep quiet.
My love, you're not in any mess. All I did was just try to make you understand that we cannot all be of same class. We need to also respect people of other classes. That we are a royal was the handiwork of Chukwokike, that's why we are here. But for those who do not have the privilege that we have, we should respect them. I only just wanted you to remember your roots. Our roots. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Igwe, don't forget that you used the opportunity to tell me that which you have been nurturing in your hearts against me. But no problem. No problem at all.
Don't allow me. We forget about this. When one is angry, the mouth tends to lose control. Let bygone be bygone. Whatever our father said that day, I'm sure he doesn't.
Amobi, stop.
My love, I know you're greatly hurt. But please, I truly didn't mean it. And I also want to use this opportunity to please accept the choice of our son. You know, I want you to know that I love you and I continue to love you. Sweetheart, please. I'm sorry.
Igwe.
Yes, dear.
I just take this as a pinch of salt. But I'm not promising because I have to carry out proper investigations about Chidema. Because I wouldn't want anybody that will come into this palace and bring insult to this royal house or shame.
In that case, I'm on the same boat with you. You are free to do any inquiry you want to do as long as it makes you happy. But remember, make sure it does not affect our son. Okay? I'm sorry, okay?
Take one banana to make you happy.
They were on your phone, they cheered.
My noble chiefs. Like I was saying, my son asked me
to an intelligent question. He said, our forefathers can be remembered by the laws and tradition that they put down till this time. That means that is their legacy. And he asks this, what are we going to say we have put down as legacy for tomorrow? And since we cannot break the kola nut with only one hand, I decided to invite you all so we can look at it.
Your Highness, honestly, I would ascribe that this wisdom from our Prince Amobi here can only come from Chukwokike. It can never come from ordinary human being. My Prince, Jidekiji, Ebumweji Jemba, Ejigiji Mado. Thank him very faster.
Your Majesty, the young man asks a very interesting and challenging question.
Honestly.
If shortly put, it means what legacy shall we bequeath to our forthcoming generation? Yes.
Gentlemen, having agreed that we have a big challenge before us, what shall we do then?
Who will bear the cat?
My elders, I want to air my view on this. Live long, my father. I want to say that everyone here wants to leave a legacy behind for the younger generation.
Yes.
If that is the case, I would want us to revisit our traditions, you know, that's instituted by our forefathers, you know, make amends to those that are already outdated and obnoxious. And thank you very much.
My noble chiefs, I would like to throw it back to you. I will throw that same question back to you all. Is there any part of our custom, tradition, values that we think we need to amend, such as burying 2 virgins, as we bury the king?
Your Highness, I, Onowu Amajoyi, I see nothing absolutely burying a holy Igwe. It's like you don't know the position you're occupying. A holy Igwe, number 1 citizen of a town. Burying a holy Igwe with ordinary 2 heads of virgins, when I am contemplating on making it 5 heads.
5 again. You, Johnny years ago. Okay. There's no problem. Since you are supporting murder at the death of Igwe or any other traditional ruler in this our kingdom, we will use the heads of your daughter to do the burial. Are you talking about using the heads of Ichie Amajoyi's daughter? Exactly. To bury any late king. That's what he suggested. We'll start with him. Let me ask you. Does Ichie Amajoyi have virgins in his house? Even when they are still under the age of 12. And we're a virgin there.
It's your son, though. I take this as indirect insult to me.
How?
Okay.
It's your son, though.
Now, Peter.
You have just spoken blasphemy.
Blasphemy?
For indirectly saying that Onowu's daughters are wayward.
Igwe.
What do you mean by that?
Igwe, you see, is it wrong interpretation? Let me tell you.
Is it wrong interpretation?
This old fool, I'm just respecting your age. Anywhere I call you, you must repeatedly come and clear this stupidity. I will show you like chewing gum. Go on.
I am never afraid of you. Okay. You will see the other side of me.
Illiterate like you. Illiterate like you who cannot defend himself. Okay, be ready to answer me. Be ready to answer me.
Look at this man who just retired from civil service yesterday without a settlement, without a retirement benefit. That's why he comes here to make police.
Don't mind me.
Hey! Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh no. The meeting was very successful and productive, except for the negative remarks of Ichie Osondo concerning your daughters. I hope you will not sweep that matter under the carpet.
Onowu Amajoyi. Onowu of this great kingdom sweeping what under the carpet? Now, I must summon Ichie Osondo. He must come and prove how he managed to know that my children are no more virgins. Kamana Mogala Hanife. Hey, I won't. This is a fact that needs to be proved, and if he fails to prove it, what you some?
Oh no, I don't like the idea of you supporting the idea of using the head of virgins to bury late Igwe. You know, these people are people's children that they are killing in the process.
Yeah, it's here, Nabife. So they have brought you over in attacking me at the palace. There's no problem. Judea Ebaho. Tomorrow, the first person to knock at your door, you will give me the whole money you borrow from me. Failure to do that, your neighbors will know your financial strength. Malagegi Otele, Wagafo, Kisebi.
Oh no.
Fail to give me that money tomorrow.
Oh no, it has not come to that now. No, who?
Okay, no problem.
Oh no, who?
Live long, Your Highness. My father, I want to use this opportunity to ask you to see reason, see the need for me to get this lady Chidema properly engaged. At least to avoid getting involved in what the youth of this day do with ladies. Please.
I am sincerely displeased that after warning your mother to desist from tagging Chidima a commoner and discouraging both of you based on class and social differences, and she still persisted, I feel insulted.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry on her behalf. Please, do not allow this to bring disunity between both of you. Brother, handle it with your fatherly love, please.
It's all right.
Thank you.
But I'd like to ask you a question once again.
No, okay, Father, I'm listening.
In all sincerity, you think there is no other woman within and outside this kingdom that you can fancy outside Chidima?
Well, my father, you are a man I respect all my life and will still respect to the last day of my life. I will not lie to you. I have a strong feeling for Chidima, such that I have never felt for any lady, born and unborn.
Son, now that you're giving me the assurance, I'll let your mother know about this. But then, I would have wished that you go again and again into the kingdom. Search again and, there could be a better woman out there.
Father, there's no need to search. Like I said, with Chidima, the search is over. I mean, is a woman I can have a good marriage with. Trust me.
In that case, consider it done that your mother will accept.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Live long, Father. I appreciate, truly I appreciate. Permission to fall out.
It's all right, you can run along.
Ife, you are one in a million.
What happened?
Your advice worked like magic.
Well, I spoke to my father into agreeing to speak to my mother into agreeing for the acceptance of Chidema as my fiancé.
You see, I told you. You have every reason to be happy right now.
I know, right?
I'm not sure. I have to be sure that the queen gives her approval.
Hey, my friend. You should thank Ife here for bringing the solution. It was her that spoke to me. She advised that I go to my father and speak to my father, rub shoulders with him, rub mine with him, and I did, and it worked like magic. So thank you, Ife, for being so brilliant.
Thank you so much. I am very, very grateful. I have said this before. Permit me to say it again. Your reign as the future queen of this kingdom will know peace. And I, Chidima, will forever remain submissive and loyal to your authority.
Chidima, my reign in this kingdom will be together with you. Yes, there won't be any difference between the servant and the master.
Imagine the promises and the assurance. I pray that the gods of this land will perfect and establish both of you.
Hey, say!
Only 2 weeks will just be enough. Go to France and enjoy yourselves. You know? Yes, you don't seem to believe me? My love, you know you're the only, one that makes butterfly flutter in my stomach, and yet still makes my heart beat like, holding this train. Loco Jack Tufa, Loco Jack. Oh, come on, you don't seem to believe what I'm saying.
Yes, if I can vividly remember those days when you still love me, calling on this type of party is a regular routine. But now, I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is going on. I don't know you anymore.
Okay. I am hereby using this party that I call to reaffirm my love for you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. You see, you don't have to blame me that much. The activities in the palace makes it difficult for me at the end of the day to be romantic. I just, now just die.
No. Igwe, don't give me that excuses.
Okay.
Because before you leave here early in the morning, you're supposed to do what you're supposed to do. Because it's from this house, you go to the palace every morning. So what you supposed to do?
Okay. I repent of it. From now onward, I must make sure I perform my early morning duties to you. Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure is worrying me.
Thank you, my lovely husband.
Yeah.
Igwe Odogum.
Yes.
Igwe Ozemena, one of Utru Kingdom.
That's my lovely wife talking. I thought you would use this opportunity to say, sweetheart, kiss me. Where we are now. Anyway, I'm using this opportunity to apologize for the way I spoke to you, over the this saga. And secondly, I want us to please give a blessing to Amobi and Chidi, let them go. Yeah.
Igwe, are you comfortable for your son to engage Chidima?
Sweetheart, I am very, very comfortable. As long as they love themselves. You really don't know how tomorrow, is. Let's give them a chance.
If you say so.
Say it again.
If you say so.
Oh, that's how you used to be those days. Very, very, I'll need hot water to bath. So that we can use that as an opportunity to reaffirm our...
Let me tell Chidima then.
You want to talk to Chidima?
Yes.
Okay. Just do and know that I will love us to consummate this our
should
reunion.
flow like the
Yes, am I
river.
good?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
In the royal home.
Jide, my brother. It is nice hearing from you. Everybody's okay around here. We are doing fine.
So how about my woman Ifechi? Hope she's alright.
Your woman is basking with me on her side. Overseeing the affairs in this palace, trust me, she is doing well. She's coping, Hey, I didn't believe that. I didn't believe it.
That's a pleasant report. I like it. What of your girl, Chidima?
My brother Chidima is okay. But you are a wonderful person. Remembering even the last person in this palace is commending, I must say. Listen, I have good news. The queen has, in fact, she has accepted. She has given in to me getting engaged with Chidima. I'm telling you the truth.
Oh, I love the news. Congratulations. So when are you going to buy the first official things for her?
I will say that by this time tomorrow, I should be on my way back. Yes, from the father's house. Because our father has assigned 2 cabinet chiefs. Yes. So tomorrow, it is a done deal.
That's good to know, bro. I wish you luck.
Thank you, my brother.
My brother, there's an issue that arose here that won't allow me return home for my traditional wedding. I've tried every possible means to talk to them, but they wouldn't. How else do you think this can be handled?
That's simple. Call your highness, our father. Call him and relate this matter to him immediately. I think he is in a better position to know how it can be handled.
Okay, bro, I will. Talk to you later. You have a nice day.
My brother, have a good day there. Don't allow Oyibos to deceive you. You have a task to accomplish down here. This is my brother. Oyo gono ga de sezo na afia. Ade bucha afi maka. I want them ngwanu. Odo fuma for 30 years, oh. Aha. Jide. Mr. B.
If I had known that Prince Udofo had a plan of traveling overseas, I wouldn't have accepted his proposal.
If I please stop.
Why will I tell my parents now?
If it is too early to regret, this is not the end of the world.
Well, listen, it will not be a good idea. I mean, if my mother, the queen, finds out that you're crying, she will not like it. And I believe in his ability to fashion out the solution to this unprecedented event. And I trust that at the end of the day, you will be happy. You'll be victorious.
Victorious in what sense? Sit down here and wait for Udofo to come back. Without even knowing if he's coming back or not. Don't you see that this is his little tricks just to discharge me and marry a white woman?
No, not at all. Your thought is really going too far. You need to stop.
It is a pity that you do not even know your husband today. Udofo, my brother, is not that kind of a man. No, that kind of intentions is far, far from him. And I must tell you that my father, the king, is actually on top of this matter. Of course, you know he will not keep a deaf ear on such matter without doing something to stop it in this palace. It's not possible.
Haven't you seen the turnout of the event against me? I am in luck.
You are not. You are not. You know, if you keep worrying yourself like this, you will end up falling sick or maybe have high blood pressure. You need to stop. And if you listen to me, I will advise we go back to our daily activities and businesses. Let's allow God to do his thing. Okay?
Yes, I understand, Yes. Getting engaged with Udofo is not the end of the world, right?
Yes.
No, you're talking. This is the kind of courage we are talking about. Believing that things will be all right someday. Okay? Everything is going to be all right. It's okay. Let me allow you guys to have your time together. Huh?
It's okay. It's okay. Nothing has changed. Let's just be hopeful.
I'm worried. Now that my son Udofo cannot attend the traditional wedding, I wonder what our custom and tradition, would do to him for such action. I don't know.
Your Highness, based on the provision of our tradition, this is a very trying moment for your family and that of your kids.
The worst is that Ifechi cannot get married to any other man in this kingdom, thereby putting her freedom in jeopardy.
Your Highness, If the self-acclaimed expert of custom and tradition here, we allow the Onowu to talk, I would ask, Your Highness, when will Prince Chidofo come back? Or is he not coming back again? Kaimata?
Of course he will come back.
Okay.
But the problem is this. The authorities in the country where he is has it that he must spend a minimum of 2 years out there in that country before he's allowed to come out.
2 years? Your Majesty,
I think some of us who are the palace chiefs should learn how to hide our ignorance in shame rather than making it public.
Come, I want with the two of you. Both of you must be very careful. You must learn to respect yourselves. If you refuse to learn to respect yourselves, then my correction hammer will be wielded.
Your Highness, I am very, very sorry for this embarrassment. I am sorry. Back to the business of the day. Your Highness, I would suggest that Prince Amobi should stand in for Prince Chidofo in the traditional marriage day celebration.
Oh no. Your Highness, since I know this, I know he has never made any useful suggestion like this in this palace. So I agree with him.
I'm respecting your age. I am respecting your age, and don't misconstrue it.
At first, I thought I made a mistake combining both of you into this matter. And now I know that I was so right. Yes, that's a wonderful suggestion.
Thank you.
It's so coordinated. It's so relieving. I think that's wonderful.
Your Highness, one more thing. Okay. I am of the opinion that the traditional wedding ceremony would be done in a very low key. Hence, it's now going to be by representation. How do you see it?
Oh no. Oh no. Hi, this is another good suggestion you made. And for this reason, I am supporting you. Let it be low key. When the real owner comes, we do it in a very elaborate way.
Do you know how many years I served this state?
It's okay. It's time to marry. Come on. Should I cancel the drink?
Oh yeah. No. But he might have the drink. So,
where is the guy? Look at him. I summoned my family and that of Ichio Okeke concerning the new development of the marriage plans of our son, the heir apparent, and Ifechi.
Your Highness, my name is Mazo Okeke. I respect your leadership qualities and I've never doubted your wisdom. I am listening. Tell us, sir.
Thank you, Mazi Okeke. I am elated because it is just only a week away from Ifechi's probation period. And we are already saying that she is marriageable. We have accepted her as, our wife because she has passed all that she needed to go through, and we are happy to have her as our wife to be.
Your Highness, I can remember that you called me. You informed me, you carried me along.
Although I don't deserve such royal honor, but here in your humility you did call me. I'll go with you here.
So that is a very good omen for the whole activity. Well, though appearing to be a spoiler, but I know it is not so. Our son has been denied the opportunity to come to the country for this traditional marriage. Because America says that he must spend 2 years in that country before they can allow him to go out. Since it has become like this, I decided to say, let us see what suggestions we have so we can find our way out of this.
Your Highness, what does tradition say about this situation? Or has it happened in this kingdom before? Because we have done a lot on Ifechi to lose her.
In all my years, we have never come across such instance. I know there must be a way out. Definitely there must be a way out of this.
Your Highness, Ifechi is my daughter. And she has come into this palace for probation. Even if it takes Prince Jidofo another 4 years to come back, let her stay. She's my daughter now.
Hey, Owano Mili Udeneji Saru. Akugo Jisuko, Bale Anive. Okay. Magaron one more effect and do okay with your woman Nabo. The OKKs have already said what's. In fact, what I want to say is in line with what the OKKs have said. You know, there is no need throwing Ifechi outside this palace, or putting her for life imprisonment, and another man will not come and marry her. It is wrong. So what I'm saying is, let Ifechi remain in this palace.
Well, stay the next 4 years now. Let's see, the offer will eventually come back. Let's see, stay.
Well, you all have spoken well. Already I went into a meeting with my cabinet chiefs to collectively find a way out of this difficult situation that had not happened before in this kingdom. And at the end of the day, we decided that the marriage must hold.
Hey.
Whether he is around or not, but the marriage must hold. We cannot continue to keep Ifechi in the palace. It's like the dog in the manger. You are not eating, you are not allowing someone to eat. She cannot get married to any other person here. So we have decided that though it will happen, but it must be on a very low key. And his younger brother shall be mandated to stand in the place of his elder brother.
One name Wedi. Let him be represent the senior brother. At that day, even if you come with one bottle of palm wine, 1 cup of palm wine, everything is settled. Okuno bagodi the bar. Whether in low key or high key.
I am my brother.
Okay.
I'm also there to represent. Yes. I am my brother, and my brother is me.
I'm happy that we have been able to find a way out of it. My son, Amobi, thank you so much for preparing to do that for your brother.
Igbo. Ekelemunu. Prince Landiche. Ekelemunu. Ndị nwe mmadụ ekelemunu. Ụmụnne ndị nwe nọ.
Okay. Dalo.
There you can. You are in my house. I laid the foundation of this house. I did not inherit it from my father. No, what are you saying? Hey. I'm a big man by standard.
You are a big man.
Ndogo, you have your cola. Of course, yeah. We have our own. Yes. No, much okay. Due respect. Thank you. I know you have something to say, so that when you say it, okay, remember we all drink, we eat and drink at the same time.
Yes.
Address us. We are here for a purpose.
Yes.
Something brought us here. Makanam.
It's true. Yes.
And I don't think it will do us good that we should be drinking and eating without achieving our purpose of being here. And for this, I would want you to bring our wife to be.
Yes.
Once we set our eyes on her,
we will not be happy to eat.
That is why we are here. Oh no, don't be afraid. And I cannot be afraid because you came to. Okay, because very soon I will come for His Royal Highness. You give me chieftaincy title in your place.
No problem. You merit it. Oko Gowa Express.
Orugo. God, this one man. It's on your work. Acharu gonwa. O de kacho. Mazi okeke won ki ano. She came from my lawyers now. Oh, come on.
So let our president elect the rest. Get what the best.
Nishi wo lenu. Aso kuke ja chohen na mri. My daughter, do you know these people?
Yes, Father, I know them.
Do you know these people?
Yes, Father.
Okay, greet them.
No.
Mama.
No.
Adam.
Yes, sir.
As tradition demands, you come close to your father. Would they turn against so? I will give you drink. You search around here and identify your husband. Yes. Adam. Look around. Search and show us your husband. Adoma.
Young man, over there. Don't warm up.
Mama.
I don't warm up. Not for you.
Adoma. Hey. Oh.
Put your hands together.
Gambrosa.
Ataniko, what's on me?
Aha. DJ Gremu. Mazi Okeke. Abo mama na ebi no bi ndi eze.
That is why I want her to be beautiful, so that she can live in king in the palace.
No.
The Prince Amobi.
No, Nkatuku.
Prince Amobi. Oh, we have for that. You do like money.
Let us go to your father. Let us go to your father for a blessing. Today is a great day.
Yes.
We are here.
Hey. Igbo ekele munu. Aka m erukweli o. Aka m ejileli ya. Amenye lori akonye jija.
Ori ako.
Hey, Adam.
Oh, okay.
Greetings, my friends.
Atarugo. Beautiful Ife. Well, I was thinking that by now, after my early representation at the traditional wedding, by now, once we return, you will come to me, hug me, kiss me, look into my eyes and say to me, "You are an amazing man. Thank you for all the things you did today." But no, what do I get?
Prince Amobi, are you for real?
What is amazing? What is
Because I don't get. I should come hug you, kiss you. How? The kiss that is meant for your brother, I should give that to you? Don't you know that kiss may lead to something else?
What will it lead into? What will it lead into? If I did not offer myself to represent, would you be married by now? Would you be married by now?
What are you trying to do?
If you give me a kiss, will heaven fall? But
I don't know what you're saying. My body, everything about me belongs to your brother, not you. Yes. I don't belong to you. I belong to your brother. What are you trying to say?
Everything about you belongs to my brother. At that traditional marriage, at that traditional wedding, did you see my brother? Who did your father hand over the drink to? Who did your father hand you over to? Is it not me? Listen to me. I don't understand how you reason this thing. Do you know that the day I decide to marry Chidema, it will look like it will look fake? Why? Because I already married you. People won't take me serious. I have already married you.
What do you mean by that? Was I married to you or your elder brother?
Ask yourself the question. Like I ask you again, who did your father give the drink? Who drank the drink? Who did your father hand over the woman? You though. Did you see Jida for that day? Huh?
In essence, you're regretting doing your brother a favor.
I don't know. I'm not regretting doing my brother a favor, but I've just said my own. This is why I do not like showing favor to women, because they do not value anything. They do not reciprocate, including my mother. I don't like giving women favor.
Okay. So if I give you a kiss now, you stop regretting?
Well, don't ask me as if it is I'm demanding for too much. I'm not demanding too much. This is a simple gesture. Like I had given you my own gesture.
Okay. Let me give you the kiss so that you stop regretting.
I go on your one. Come. Let us go up and...
Ugom. Achala ugo nwanyị. Ugom mam. Nwanyị m gbara mbọ jee n'ụta. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, Kimale.
The right woman that will replace me. The right woman that will be the next queen of this kingdom. You are welcome.
Thank you so much, my queen.
You're welcome.
I am very happy to be married to the man of my dreams. I never knew it would be possible. I thought I've already missed the opportunity when Prince Jidofo declined his coming home.
My daughter, You are destined to be married into this royal home. Hence, the idea of Prince Amobi standing in for his brother was given to the king, my husband, by his cabinet members. Can't you see it has worked?
I thank God who made the revelation. And I also pray that God will continue to bless the king and his cabinet chiefs.
He say, now step 1 done. We will wait and pray for the return of my son for church wedding.
Yes, mother.
It shall be a monumental occasion. Oya poto apoto. Oya azu azu. Onem.
I can't wait. You know, Queen Mother, I keep imagining how I will look on a white wedding gown with my face covered with a veil, walking down the aisles with the love of my life.
Yeah, but you are there already. You are there. Please come off it. It's all for now. Please, go and prepare dinner. Do not forget to take Chidima along with you.
Queen Mother, you know Chidima and I are now behaving alike, like twins.
I can see that. Please, you people should keep it up.
Yes, my queen.
Don't disappoint me.
Yes, my queen. I beg to take my leave now.
You're free. Ugum. Achalu ugum. Why in Jemba? Hey!
Hold on. Stop. Please. Just have to stop. No, we can't be doing this. I'm your brother's wife.
Why are you doing this? My brother's thing is my thing. After all, my brother put you in my care to take care of you.
This is not nice at all. What we are doing is wrong and it's forbidden.
It is not wrong and it is not forbidden. It is not. Listen, I hate it when you make me feel guilty. Giving it another interpretation like there's no difference.
No, there is different. The difference here is me. I am the difference. We should stop this, please.
If truly you are the difference, not between my brother is me and I am my brother.
I am your brother's wife, not your wife. I'm not for both of you.
If you want
please, can you just excuse me?
One for the road.
Please just leave my room. Please, no.
You can name me out made no wrong.
But we can't be doing this. You have your own fiancé. Go to her. Stop.
Yeah. I wanted to drink from mine.
Thank you. Very sweet.
I want to drink from yours.
Really?
Yeah. Yours is sweeter. Yes.
But it's from the same place now.
As long as it belongs to you, yours is sweeter.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my husband.
Yeah, I actually was thinking this afternoon while I was alone. I was thinking the need for Ifechi, our daughter-in-law, to, get a craft for herself, something she can learn to do while waiting for her husband, and who also killed her boredom.
Hey, my darling husband, thank you so much. Thank you. Igwe, if not for you, what could I have done in this life? Your sense of reasoning always baffles me. Thank you so much. It is cute and acceptable.
Thank you. It is from Chukwokike.
Chukwokike, you are right. You are a man of wisdom.
Yes, and this time, what do you think should be the kind of craft, she can engage herself in?
Igwe.
Yes.
Nursing.
Nursing.
Yes. Because I heard that people with such credentials, if they go out of country.
Okay, I understand you. You're trying to say now that, in Europe and in America.
Just like where our Jidofo son is.
Okay, you mean nursing is very...
Very, very good. And if she is able to get job there, it will go a long way to help this, our royal family economy.
That's a good one at that. Because I'm actually aware that people are, go to, these developed countries to even read nursing out there and start to make big money.
Just like Okoye's son.
Yeah.
Okwimano omoro nursing. You know that the parents cannot afford to train him in nursing school. Please, let her just go for nursing. Hey! Beautiful. It's nice. Oh!
Beautiful.
Thank you so much, my darling.
Yeah.
It's high time I took words to the king and queen about your illicit behavior with my man, your brother-in-law.
Chidema,
what?
What are you saying? See, be careful of what you're accusing me of. See, if you're not sure of it, if I finally found out it's not true, me and you will be thrown out of this palace.
You and who? Tell me. I caught you pants down on the same bed with my man, my fiance, and you're telling me that is not enough evidence?
Calm down. It's not what you think at all. He just came to my room and then I was on the bed. I was just playing. It's not like what you are thinking.
I must look like a suckling baby for you to be using these words on. Ifechi, to think I was even promising to be submissive and loyal to you. You're so shameless.
I swear.
I'm not done. You were actually playing adult game with my man. Someone that was supposed to be protecting you. Your brother-in-law.
I'm trying to...
You have no dignity.
I swear with my life there. It was not...
See, if you continue making me look like a fool, I will just walk straight to the queen and tell her what I saw.
Calm down. Let me explain. I was just in my room.
You've already explained that.
He said I was
now
bored.
Listen.
He just wanted to...
It's okay. Now this is it. I'm not even doing this because of you to favor you, no. I am doing it because of this palace reputation. Next time I see you in that kind of mood with my man, I'll walk straight to the queen and tell her what I saw. You will have yourself to be blamed. Sorry.
I stand before the throne in shame. Nowhere to hide. No one to blame.
What kind of royal sacrilege did you commit? What we are supposed to keep as confidential in this palace, you went outside and exposed it. Are you mad? Something wrong with you?
I think I'm the last person you should be shouting at right now. The person you ought to be shouting at is your secret lover.
You serious right now? Yes. What did you say? What did you say? Did you talk to me in that manner? Are you crazy? My elder brother's wife to be my secret lover? Come. She'll spy on me. She'll barge into me without knocking. Even when you're not yet my wife. What if I marry you? What happens?
Prince Hamid, you just laughed.
Listen, I will slap you blue black if you talk again.
You think your continuous attitude will intimidate me of something I am sure of? No!
Really?
Yes.
You're challenging me.
I am done with this conversation. I am going straight to the king to inform him of your sexual activities with Ifechi.
Try it.
And when I'm done, I will gladly leave this palace.
Try it. I will kill you. I bet you will die before you run out of this palace. And listen, you cannot run away from me. My claws are too heavy. They are too tight. Outside this kingdom, I can catch you before you say Jack Robinson.
Is that a threat?
I am not threatening you. No. You are too small for me to threat. Yes. You and your family, if I decide to descend on you people, you will not remain. Don't try me. Are you mad? Who are you? Low life like you? Because I accepted you? Who are you? Get out of here! If I descend on you, dog bam 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 right now. Low life. No, I see come with a lamp before Cecilia lamp. Guess if I do everything. And when? I don't blame you. Are you serious right now? Huh? I accepted to marry this low life. That's why she is rubbing shoulders with me, Prince Judah, for the virus. Me, Prince Amo, the virus.
Ifechi, why should sharing of duties to the maidens bring disaffection and disagreement between you and Chidema? Is this how you both are going to take over when I am gone?
I'm sorry, my queen. I take the blame. I should have reported to you before anything. Please, find a place in your heart and forgive me.
You better be. This is a palace. Every action must be put on check.
I promise, Queen Mother, it will never repeat itself again.
Sit.
Thank you, my queen.
My husband and I have been thinking to enroll you in nursing school.
That is so thoughtful of you, my queen.
You shouldn't be thanking me. I am doing it for myself. Because when you acquire the certificate and travel abroad with your husband, secure a nice job, it will help. It will improve the economy of this royal house.
Yes, Queen Mother. I understand. And I truly appreciate it. And I pray that God will continue to bless you and my king too.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you so much, my queen.
Okay. You're welcome, my daughter. You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Agu.
My father. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Agu, Mama.
Good to see you all again.
You're welcome.
How are you, my love?
My brother is back. Oh.
How have you all been?
Hold on. He's just coming from a long journey. This is my brother. One them. I've been taking care of her. So I'm on them for you. Hey, I don't know. How is America?
America is beautiful. America is sweet. How is home?
Welcome.
Good to see you all.
When you called last night that you were coming, I was surprised because it's quite impromptu.
I know, Father. The thing is, I talked to my boss. I was skeptical. I didn't know he would allow me, but after a while, he said I should go on the condition that I come back with my wife.
I will not say this unexpected visit. Anyways, thank be to the cross. Oh, my son.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. My love, come here. How have you been? How have you been?
It has not been easy. Oh, thank God you're here now.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
But one day you have to me to you have to thank me especially. Yes, because I have been taking care of her.
My
brother, to comfort your wife is not an easy task.
Yeah.
I had to use by all means. Nsieba. Kumbia. Now aware that you will come back very soon.
I figure me one leg.
Remember who like
oh, yeah, Kigemelia.
Let's him rest a little.
Now, everybody in this palace should not worry. We're going to have a very happy life because God has blessed me.
Oh, thank God.
That's because of the offer I put on the ground every day.
And the prayers I render to God every morning.
Yes,
now He has answered me. Hey, you're welcome, my son.
You're welcome, my dear. So how far the wedding arrangements? Where are we now?
And I quote it.
Oh my God,
So what?
Finally. I'm going to test this app. My love, what kept you? I've been waiting.
I was doing some house chores in the kitchen.
Come to the bed. Or are you not happy to see me?
I am. Just that I think I need to freshen up.
No, don't worry. I like it musty that way. I like the fragrance.
I should be thinking.
I like it that way, okay? I like that musky fragrance.
I should be thinking by now. I need to just.
I said I like it that way.
Hold on. Let me just take my breath at least.
Honey, I am your husband.
Okay,
I am the one. Yvette! Is she not my wife? Why is she running away? What is the problem? Why are you dragging me like that? What?
Brother, he's asking me to make love to him. What do I do?
Are you mad? Are you asking me that question? Okay, you're asking me to tell you what you should do. Why would you do that? Why would he ask you to make love to him?
What are you saying?
Listen, if you do that, I will destroy you. You belong to me, not him.
Have you forgotten I got married to your brother traditionally?
Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. If you do not know tradition, let me spell it for you. On the day of that traditional marriage, who did you hand over the drink your father gave to you? Me or my brother? Was it me or Jidofo?
Prince Amobi. Yes, I gave it to you. But you were there just to represent your brother. No, you're not my husband. He is my husband.
To God, if you say it again, something wrong with you. You are right. You are married to me, not Jidofo.
Tell me this is not happening. No, tell me you are joking. So this is why you impregnated me and asked me to keep the pregnancy when you have Chidima out there.
To hell with Chidima. To hell with Chidima. You are the one I am married to, not Chidima. And listen, I do not want this to. In fact, this will not be a subject of discussion. This is the last time we will talk about it. You make a tap. Yeah, you make the effect. You don't fall the or tag. And that's why the Bible bans are physically. Nonsense.
To my rescue.
I won't be my brother. Everybody needs to travel outside the shores of this country. America is indeed a beautiful place.
Wow. My brother, you have to start processing my papers immediately because I am going back with you. I am going back with you, my brother.
Straight. You don't have a problem, my brother.
Wait, I don't understand. You are going with him. Who are you leaving me for?
Not to worry. As soon as I get to America with my wife, we'll start making arrangements to bring both of you over.
Yes, I don't care as long as I travel overseas.
It will be a happy reunion, having all of us in America. You, my brother, myself, and that reminds me, where is Ifechi? She's supposed to be here with us.
Yes, I actually called her before coming here. She complained of stomach ache. Well,
Please remind her. I'm Obi-Wan name. Something strange happened today. What is it? I wanted to make love to Ifechi, but she rebuffed me.
Why? What is her reason?
She said she was smelling, she hadn't had her bath, some flimsy excuse. I can't wait to make love to her. I can't wait to take her virginity. This is the crown and this is the price for all my waiting.
Well, the truth is that Ifechi, your wife, is a very shy person.
But I'm here now. She can actually shower in the bathroom upstairs and I will get down to business. So if I will keep an
Take it easy, bro. I'm sure she will come around. Meanwhile, if I had Trump, this gist about Mr. Donald Trump can't cause or Ezioku.
American politics is a different stuff. It's a very difficult playground. No. I didn't look like that.
My dear, go to your quarters. I want to discuss with my son.
Mom, I don't get it. What exactly do you say is going on?
Calm down, my son, please. Ifechi will soon be here. Huh?
If I had known this was the kind of disappointment and devastation I was going to meet, I would have stayed back in America, you know.
But there's no disappointment anywhere. Stop saying negative things in anger, please.
Then how come since over 1 week I came back, she's not been able to sleep in my bed?
Sure. But that is when the issue of her virginity blood test comes in. Ifechi is supposed to shed her virginity blood on your bed sheet so that the women of the land will attest to it and to enroll her into womanhood.
Exactly my point. But why is it that for more than 1 week I got back, she has refused to sleep with me?
It's a lie. Ifechi, why did you deny your husband access to your body? Why?
I'm sorry, my prince.
What are you sorry about? Answer her question. Why don't you want to sleep in my bed? Or have you lost your virginity?
Ifechi, say something.
I'm sorry, Queen Mother.
Sorry for what? Ifechi, talk!
Prince Amobi warned me never to sleep with him.
Huh? Why?
Amobi warned you not to sleep with him. Why?
Why?
Can you talk?
I'm pregnant for him.
Hey! Ifechi! You! Pregnant! Ifechi, you say what? Wait! Oh my God. Ifechi! What have you done? Why did you do it?
I stand before the throne in shame, nowhere to hide, no one to blame.
Ifechi, how could you do anything like that? You have killed me! You have succeeded in tearing my children apart! Ifechi, I'm disappointed in you! Don't touch me! Get out!
you! I am totally disappointed in you! Hey! Now!
Chimo, see what I've done to myself. I bear this kind of shame.
Ladies and
Please
gentlemen,
hear my
let us have this discussion as a family. Because we are a royal household and we are expected to act and behave accordingly.
Your Highness, please can you allow Ifechi to repeat what she said that Prince Amobi told her and the condition of her health?
Ifechi, I am all ears. What did you say Amobi told you?
Your Highness.
Oh, what up to this girl? What up to my name, Your Highness?
Your Highness, I'm over here. Want me never to allow my husband, Prince Jidofo, to come close to me or make love to me.
Why? Why?
He threatened that he is going to harm me if I do. And I'm pregnant for him.
What? Can you imagine that, Your Highness? Amobi here impregnated my wife in my absence. Okay, Zoike, my friend, did you marry a wife? Again, no wanya. I married Ifechi traditionally. With whose money? With Ego Yamobi. Onye nyegegi to why? And I don't know why. Where was I get the sharp? Will you shut your mouth? Hey! Will you shut your mouth? That face paid.
Shut your mouth there. Who did you traditionally marry?
Ifechi.
You were given a mandate to represent your brother because he was far away from home. And you are now claiming his wife as your wife? And got her impregnated?
Hey! Igwe, please wake me up from this nightmare, please. Wake me up. Amobi, what is this that you've done against your brother, against humanity, against the royal throne? Amobi.
Mom, I did nothing. I'm worried if I'm a mother. I say, no one. I refuse. You people who say that I refuse to do what you asked me to do. Traditionally, I married Ifechi. Ego sending my hard-earned money to you. Update. I wish you. Okay, Mom, I took what rightfully belongs to me. Shut up! I have married Ifechi traditionally, and so be it. Okay, I'll kiss you. Over my dead body. Yeah, I feel like now can call. Okay. Boom. Can call boom.
You want shame.
I want to shame. Because we go with due respect. I won't be here. You cannot say Amobi.
Amobi, come back here.
Amobi, I'm going to take it all the way.
Come back here. Amobi.
Sit down here.
Oh my God.
They are men, let them.
This is my house. Kill me. Oh my God. Igwe, no. Please, Jidofo, please come back. Igwe, please help me. Igwe, help me. Igwe, please. Amobi, come back, please.
If you want to face me. You are a despicable human being. Face me like a man. You are a wicked human being. I was there in America. I sent you money for my traditional marriage, and all you could do was to impregnate my own wife? Tell me where it happens on this planet Earth that I will marry a wife traditionally, and you will come and jolly. You come and claim, thank goodness you sent me money. It won't pass now. It won't pass when I'm a fan. Amobi, you will marry a wife traditionally. Yes. Did you and her have any agreement to get married? Was I not the one that sent you money to marry her? And you felt you could corner the opportunity to yourself. You know about body and soul. What am I? I'm going to February to celebrate now. I'm a big woogie. I'm a big woogie.
I never know if I violent. Whatever it is.
Frank can make you a twaganya here now. How do you come with an easy? It is full of the wicked. You are despicable. You are the wicked. You can never get. We shall see. I I'm all quick or the no remark as we make. Calm down. What if you mean is all go Okay, Tawa here, stop from Lego, Bonyala. Maybe Siki Kabuki. Small quagga. Not do anything. Please hear my cry. I've never planned to stand my life this way. Please hear my cry. Evil woman, you are wicked. I spent my hard-earned money. Sent it here for me to get married to you by proxy. And all you could do was betray me. This marriage stands divorced. Leave this palace. I said leave this palace before I...
Please, we can settle this amicably. Remember, you're not the only one betrayed here. I am equally betrayed. And the name of this palace is on the line. Just take it easy, please. Let's go. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I beg you. I know I've sinned against God and you as woman. Please, I was deceived.
You were deceived. Deceived by who? As old as you are, Ifechi, you were deceived. You are a whore. You are nothing but a loose woman of easy virtue.
I'm sorry.
You will neither marry my brother nor I, because your likes do not belong to royalty. Now get up and get out of this palace.
Please.
I said get out. Get you in this thing, Bonyala, nge fiogi how amobi. Na wani bota na palace amobi. Try it. Nge fiogi how. Nge awogi how. Amobi nge difa wogaru. Amobi nge difa wogaru. Not afraid of the red-eyed man. Oh, you are stupid. Sorry. Guys, you listen to me. You are my wife. I'm not your wife. I don't know. I see you back. What did you? Out of this. I say get out of this. Get out of this. Get inside now. I get blue. Leave this one. I get blue. Muna get wish. One on one. Ikuta kwa dero. Amobi muna get wish. Amobi muna get wish. Follow me. Move up, papa. This man. Come here. Out of this one. Get inside now. Obeloto. Get inside now. Out of this one. Out of this one. No. Muna get wish.
Ifechi slept with my second son, and he got her pregnant. This was against the original plan and agreement that she was going to be the wife of the devil. Now, as I speak, I am between the devil and the deep blue sea, and I don't know what to do.
You know, Your Highness, I don't think there's any need prolonging this issue. Ifechi needs to leave this palace immediately. I don't mind forfeiting everything I've spent on that traditional wedding, but she has to go. As for Amobi here, henceforth he ceases to be my brother for life.
Who wants to be your brother? Bumiru achiru irumo baraku. Nchefu onwem, nchefu mmadu nje na mirobo onwem touch 100% no na-ekelesi. What are you talking about?
Look at you. No one on one draw. Ifechi cannot step out of this house. It's not possible.
With due respect, Prince Samobi, I never knew you as my in-law.
With utmost due respect, Mazi Okeke, on that day of the wedding, who did you hand over your daughter as a husband?
I handed Ifechi over to you because
Simple question. Answer it directly.
Allow me to finish. Because His Royal Highness told me that you were marrying the wife for your elder brother, Prince Jidofo here. That was why I handed
Mazi
over to
Okeke,
you.
save yourself the explanation. Can't you see the criminal logic is making?
I'm afraid.
Can't you see it? The bottom line is that Ifechi will leave this palace today. Tell your daughter to leave the palace.
Bottom line is that Ifechi is not leaving this house today and not tomorrow.
But what I'm saying in my little suggestion is that can't two of you marry her?
No, I'm not a sharing type.
And I'm going to Mazi Okeke. What sort of talk is can't two of you? That kind of one.
My wife is staying. Nobody can do that in this house. Nobody can chase Ifechi out of this house. If anybody tries it, me and the person go die.
And that is final. Bro. Mazi Okeke, tell your daughter that she's leaving this palace.
She will not leave. That you cannot do unless I am wine.
No, I will kill you. I will kill you before you marry her. I will kill you before you marry her.
Mazi Okeke, Ifechi is not leaving this house because she is my wife.
What I'm saying.
Your daughter is leaving this palace.
So you want to...
Guys, remember quality.
I will reconsider. What's your problem? What is your problem?
That's my problem.
What is wrong with you?
Ifechi is my wife.
It's not
Ifechi is my wife, not yours.
It's my wife. Oh, my wife.
It's my son, forbidden love.
Kill yourselves, please.
Forbidden fruit. Echoes through the silence. No one hears the sound. If only my
What exactly are we hearing?
You know that this palace used to be a very peaceful place, and since Prince Amo became in with his greediness, this palace have been with another thing I don't know. Oh no!
Stop thinking about the bush before you go name what you know. I'll put on my question. What exactly happened to Lola?
Okay,
simple question that deserves simple answer. You know where you're clicking.
Oh no! The queen became unconscious, and they took her to the hospital.
Unconscious?
Yes or no?
Which hospital?
I don't know. Huh? I don't know where they took her to.
They took your queen out of this palace, and you wanna be Briaga. Let's get out of here.
That is involved. That is involved.
Behind the walls where eyes can't see. In the royal hall, things keep happening. A hidden flame, a secret desire. Can this be love? Can this be lost? Oh, if only my get no there's no smoke without fire. There's no action without a reason. Oh, if an what is going on? What is going? Can someone tell me what is going on? What is going on? A forbidden fire. Forbidden fire. Moving right inside the palace halls. If an whispers